right. Hello, everybody. Hello, chat. All right. Okay. Let's get it started. All right. Good morning, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How we doing today? Hey, let's start it off right. If you're ready to go, happy to be here. Put some W's in the chat today. Spam the chat with W's if you are ready to roll. All right. What's the deal? Good morning. Happy Friday. W's. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, everyone's ready to go. Everyone's ready to win. It's always fun to start the stream with W's and end the stream with W's, right? I think it's just gonna be our new thing now. W's coming in, W's coming out, just like the word says, right? Bless coming in, bless going out. Yeah, Sam Capital's in the chat. Yeah, W's coming in, W's coming out, gang. How's everyone doing? Good? All right, let me set up Zoom here and then we will get going. How'd you guys do during the London session? There we go. There's the W's. Bright and early. Bright and early. Let's do this. All right. Okay, I think we're good to go. What time is it? 56. All right, we're good with gold. Gold is not ready for the move just yet. So we are just patiently waiting here. If you guys aren't in our free Discord, check out our free Discord. You guys are more than welcome to join here. What you guys do in the London session? Anything good? Anything good? Nice. Haha, I was telling my wife I can't take it. No bottom wick. Awesome, man. Yeah, a lot of you guys are really catching on, man. Super pumped. let's go. Oh yes, Sam. Love that, bro. W for Sam. Straight up. W, Sam, W. All right, cool. Let's get the ball rolling here. Good morning, everyone. Blessed coming in, blessed going out. Yep, amen, amen. Good morning, Jeanette. Huge win during the London session. Got almost 6 pips of sleep. How do I join the Discord? Matt, the link is in the description here in the YouTube channel. No trade for London. Nice. Yeah, W's, man. W's all around. All right, let me lower the music and let's get the ball rolling. So, ladies and gentlemen, you are not in the trading business. You are in the decision-making business here, and we're gonna make the best decisions, and we're gonna make nothing but good decisions as we move into the session today. We're gonna be wise with our capital. It's Friday. But it's just like any other day. Any other day, we just remain disciplined, mark up our charts, make sure we don't have any news, make sure we know what's going on, right? And make sure we're all tied into our session and waiting for our setups, and that is how the game is played, man. So let me just bring these down. All right, cool. So yeah, so it's another day to be disciplined, another day to hold our ground, another day to be top dog negotiators here with the market. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna see what is happening. I haven't really haven't looked at the charts here at all since yesterday. So let's open them up and see what the deal is here. Oh yeah, Asian session. Yeah, I looked at them during Asian. Look at that. Range 2 sells, right? Range 2 sells below here. So if you got in off of that initial rip and you want to learn more about the range 2, well, we'll probably talk about a lot about that today. So let's get into the breakdown here. So weekly time frame, weekly. All right. So if we're looking here at the weekly time frame, actually let's go back. Let's go to the monthly time frame real quick, just to get an idea of where we're at. So on this monthly time frame, we notice that gold has come into this rejection area right here, right? So this is a high level of rejection. You have 1 rejection, 2 rejections, and then multiple rejections right here recently on gold. And now we're just kind of breaking out of that range, right? This candle right here was able to break out of the range, and now you have our current monthly candle, which has made a top wick. It has made a low, but it hasn't broken the low of the previous candle just yet. So we're still waiting on that when it comes to the monthly time frame, but that's something that we can anticipate happening at some point throughout this month. At some point throughout this month, I believe we will start breaking these lows this month and continue down to retest the support, you know, somewhere back at 1920. We just don't know when that's going to happen, right? But we do know that we are in the rejection area. We have rejected, and we have officially created a a resistance last month. And now if we're creating that resistance, the one thing we have is we have an area right here which we may be rejecting off of right now. Some of you guys see this area right here. I think once we get an actual closure below here, it'll be much more confirmation for price to continue down into 1920, because if we're breaking below there, then we're breaking back into this range, and if we're breaking back into this range, there's a high chance that we will fill the range and come back down to 1820 here. So I believe we may have a little bit of traffic right here that's holding things up, but if we can get through that, we would also be breaking the monthly lows, and I think at that point you would see price continue down pretty strongly there. So that's what the monthly time frame is talking about. And if you guys look, every time we created a resistance, we drove down, right? We drove down, created resistance, right? What do? We drove down. So if we're creating a resistance here, we're most likely going to drive down, right? So we'll see what happens. We can only look at data at price action and make our decisions based off of that. So now we know where we're at on the monthly time frame. Let's go down to the weekly. Let's take a look what's going on here. So again, one thing with the weekly is that if we notice, we have come back into this level here, and this is that same level on the monthly time frame. So right now we're in a range on the weekly time frame, and this is the range that we're currently in. We don't know, you know, there's another support right here. I believe if we close below this level here today, then you will see the continuation down at some point next week, right? Start breaking lows, start coming down looking something like this. So we may be able to see that next week, but you know, because this is, in a way, this could be a little break, retest, and then to continue down. If we look left, we have clean traffic to the left hand side. This would be breaking the monthly lows, and that's when you would see that push to go ahead and fill this down. And where do we see it? 1820 here, right? 1820, same target for the monthly time frame. That could very well happen at some point next week. So we'll see how that all plays out. But you know, right now we are pushing up. We never broke the lows just yet. The daily did close bullish yesterday. So daily closed bullish. We are bullish. So one thing I was looking at for this previous daily candle is, were we actually going to close above this resistance here? Which one was it? Yeah, right here. Will we close above this area? And it looks like we did. So it looks like we closed above, and you know, we should be able to drive up. Should be able to drive up at this point. And you know, we break these highs, you know, there's a very high chance we will tap into, you know, 1983, 1985 here today. So again, just be aware of what the monthly time frame is talking about, what the weekly time frame is talking about, and you know, just be aware today with where we're at. It's the last day of the week. We may pull back, we may push up, we don't know. We just got to anticipate these moves on the lower time frame. But if we're going to anticipate this move here today, I would assume the daily would make a bottom wick and continue up based off of this previous daily candle. So that's what we're going to anticipate. You know, where's our target for the day if we're looking for buys? Well, probably somewhere up here, 1982, maybe this resistance over here, 1977, somewhere in this range. So let's go down to the lower time frames and see what that looks like. So 4-hour time frame looks like we've pushed up. We're starting to create a support at this point. 4-hour candle, it looks like it's bullish now. It's still got 2 hours left of it, but you know, we are bearish based off the previous 4-hour candle. So if we break these lows, very high chance. But one thing I noticed is this support right here, and it's a bit sketchy. So I believe we're going to be waiting for range 2 sells here today. Let's go see what that looks like on the 1-hour time frame. So perfect. So we have a support right here, support right there. We have a resistance right here, and that's the range you're currently in. Now we can leave our lines like that, but it may screw us up later on when we're looking for closures. So there's a resistance right here, and then there's another one right here, and then this you can just wipe away because this really didn't even happen. This is basically two fake candles there. So that was the glitch on Oanda, but we can, if we look left after this resistance up here, right? Let's move our resistance up. Looking left, we have very clean traffic up until these levels here. You know, probably even if we look at the 30-minute, let's look at the 30-minute. Yeah, you got clean traffic coming up to 1970 here. So if you can get a closure above, even a closure above here today off the 30-minute time frame, then we can look to take positions continuing up. So that's probably what I'll be looking for. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, so that's also breaking the daily highs here. So notice how the lower time frame confirmations, the lower time frame resistances match up with the higher time frame break of highs, break of lows, and so on and so forth, right? Boom, that's also breaking 4-hour highs. That's also breaking this 1-hour range. And on the 30-minute, it's pretty clean to continue up, right? Probably gonna have to go risk free right around this point, which is about, you know, 20 pips or so. But then we can continue up here, fill that wick, and, you know, eventually tap into target. So we'll see what happens here. But, you know, for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for buys above 1966 220, and that should be clean as we push up there, maybe break, close above during a time of high volume. That's going to be our best bet. And then sells are going to be below here. I think we're working on range 2 right now, right? Because originally we had sells below here for the day, and we did break down, we came back up, so we avoided a fake out there. Now I think if you close below support here, then you should make your way down. Yeah, 1961 660 is probably going to be clean sells below there for me. Last time if we look left, you know, we closed below right here, we were able to push down. Close below right here, we were able to push down. Close below here, push down. So it looks pretty clean. Looks like a clean zone. I'll look to take advantage of that. We have very, very clean traffic to the left hand side as well. And yeah, it should be pretty fun. Should be a good day. Should be a good day. Sells we could probably catch coming back down to 1956 here, and then more clean traffic below. So yeah, this is going to be our ranges here today. So yeah, if this wasn't here, man, this would be so clean. I would say we target up here and just move stops to break even right around this support. We have clean ranges here today for buys and sells. So we'll you know, make sure we know where we're at, and yeah, worst case you take your buys above here. Yeah, for those of you that may not be comfortable with buys above here, worst case you take them above here, and then you got more clean traffic. But I'm okay with taking buys above here because number one, we're breaking the daily high at that point. Number two, number one, we're bullish. Number two, we're breaking the daily high at that point. Number three, we're engulfing all these 4-hour candles. There's a wick to fill. So if this happens during the NY Open or the NYSE Open, this is a very, very high probability setup to continue up, as we will push through this traffic with the volume that comes in. So yep, so buys are going to be for me above 1966 220. So buys above, closure, just drag this a little bit. And then sells for me will be below 1961 663 here. So pretty simple day. Pretty simple day. You could also, I mean, if you're in buys right now as well, not bad. Not bad at all. What am I doing? You're basically looking at an onion play. But I'd rather break through that range before taking trades here today. So yeah, you got a nice little onion play, 30-minute celery play going in the direction of the higher time frame. So this isn't too bad here. Not a bad move to take advantage of. But yeah, that's the day here today. So we got clean ranges, man. Gold has clean ranges above here as well. Looking left, the next, if we break through this range, the next range from 1971 is going to be 1977 up here. So we got a lot of clean traffic, right? We got over 1,000 pips to cover here on the way up, and then on the way down is very clean as well. So lots of range today. 50 pips on the way down, and then even more clean traffic down there. So perfect. And now we wait. That's the day. that is the day. So to make it colorful for you guys, I'm going to be staying out of this range here today. I'm going to let gold just do its thing here, and once we do get a closure above, I will look to take buys coming up here and even further up here today. So buys are super clean here today, and then anything below here is super clean for sells as well, and that's going to be my Friday. That's what I'm going to be waiting on. That's what I'll be looking for. That's where my money is at. That's where my pips are at. And I'm going to just sit tight and wait for price to fall into my lap. So this is where I'll be looking to take positions here today. And I'm just going to stay away from here. That's it. Done. Trading made easy. Now the hard part comes, and that's to wait. That's to sit tight and wait for price to do what it needs to do before you enter positions. You need to wait for your setup to show up, and don't do a thing before that happens.
Best believe it, baby.
Best believe, Sam. What's the good word?
Good word, good word. I don't know. I've been up early.
Yeah, I see that.
I had a nice conversation with God this morning. I'm not gonna lie. So I was like, I saw that you saw it on the stream, but
yeah, I just seen it.
You know, he told me, he said, believe it or not, he was like, you know, you're being a little ignorant. You know, you have the ability to reach out to what we average probably 500 plus viewers, and you know, there's a lot more things that I could be on here saying and inspiring and that kind of stuff. And so I'm gonna spend my weekend diving a lot deeper into the gospel and the Word of God, so that I could be on here and, you know, say some more inspiring things and
man,
take part more, you know.
God is good, ladies and gentlemen. God is good, man. You're watching God's goodness and grace right in front of your eyes. So that's awesome, man. I'm down if you want to link up over the weekend. We can chat.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
We can go over some stuff. Yeah, that's a blessing, man.
Awesome.
You know, man, it just makes my heart feel so good. You know, when I first met Sam, in a way, you know, he told me he was an atheist, and
it's true.
God put it on my heart to share the gospel to him. And you know, the first Monday night when Sam wasn't there, I was so pumped that everyone was there, but in my heart I knew that Sam was supposed to be there. And it's okay that he wasn't there that first time, because he was there the second time. And the second time, just, I think God was able to speak to you, and here we are today.
Yeah, I'll say probably like a couple months, like, you know, before like the streams and that, like that's when I started getting those signs.
Yep.
You know, that was him trying to come into my heart.
Yep.
And I don't know, just the fact that, you know, coming along, it was a blessing to be able to meet you and, you know, hear the Lord through you and, you know, bestow that on me. And yesterday I was able to bestow that on someone else too, and for the first time. And, you know, that was a wonderful feeling. You know, it wasn't even me, you know. God entered the room, and everything he did there was him.
Yeah, amen, bro.
And, you know, that was my first time experiencing that, and that was crazy.
Oh, man. I love that. I love it.
Yeah, it was wonderful.
Man, God is good. God is good, ladies and gents. He's alive. He's living. He's on the throne. Don't let the media, don't let the world tell you he's not. They're doing every single thing they possibly can because they know how powerful he is. They know how powerful he is more than some of you do. And that's why they don't want you hearing it. They don't want you listening to it. But we're here to say God is still on the throne. God is alive. And don't believe them, because there is masses and masses of people right now coming to the Lord, being saved, being baptized, and the Holy Spirit coming upon them. So let's go.
Yeah, hallelujah.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's have a wonderful
That's the good news, man.
Rest of the day, yeah. It's a beautiful way to, you know, come on a Friday.
Yes. Amen. All right.
You got some clean ranges here to work with too, so, you know, should have a wonderful day on the charts as well.
Yeah, we should have a beautiful day here today. Very clean. For those that for those that could be patient and wait today, you will be rewarded. You will be rewarded very well. Amen. Yup. You need God to speak to you. Blue Pro. What I would highly recommend is you get yourself a Bible. Find someone. Come on Monday nights. Let someone help you get a better understanding of the Word. And God will be speaking to you. He's actually speaking to you right now. That's why he's got you on the stream.
That's the whole reason you were here.
Yeah, that's the whole reason you're here. You guys thought you were here for trading. It's awesome to hear stories. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Pound yen grew wings and flew. Yeah, I saw a little bit last night. Oh yeah, I got to help some people dodge a fake out. Or I don't know, gold closed below, but
yeah, on gold.
Like, yeah, there's a celery. If it does a celery, then you can take it. But other than that, it never did it.
Yeah, I love what Martha said, Sam, about we're all created with that light. That was one of the things that spoke to you the most, right? Right? We were talking about in the Gospel of John that, you know, the Word is the light and the life, right? The light of all men and all women. So that light is in each of us, and you know, it just takes a little bit of light to overcome the darkness. Just a little bit, right? So if you're ever in a dark room, you light a match or something, it lights up the whole room. That little light can overcome all that darkness. So yeah, we really are.
You know what's crazy is, you know, that was what actually sparked the conversation yesterday. You know, I was in the gym with someone, and you know, they were talking about how you know, you know, he's a bigger guy, definitely, you know, bigger than me, super into the gym and that. And he was like, man, he's like, I gotta come to the charts and, you know, and get that kind of discipline and that like you have. And he's like, you know, I come to the gym because that's where I deal with all my anger, you know, and that's where I come to the dark. And
yeah,
he said something like a David Goggins quote, like, you gotta go into the darkness. And I was like, yeah, but it doesn't always have to be the darkness.
Yeah.
You know, you gotta bring the light into your darkness.
Yeah.
And, you know, that, like, even the tiniest little match, I gave him that example, and yeah, and you can see his eyes lit up, and it was a beautiful moment, and
love that.
It was a really good conversation yesterday, you know.
Yeah. Love it, man.
One of my good friends too, so, you know.
Oh, nice.
Like if I could, you know, yeah.
That's awesome, dude.
Love that.
That really. Hey, yo, there he is.
Good morning, John.
Another disciple.
Morning, boys.
Hello there, my friend. Hello there, my brother.
Doing.
Amazing. How about you?
Grateful for another day.
Ain't it great?
Great.
Ain't it great?
Good chat.
Everyone in chat's grateful. They were all throwing W's. They're winning coming in, winning coming out, blessed going in, blessed going out, blessed in the cities, blessed in the fields, man. Come on. Come on, man.
Good chat. Another day. What we do. Nothing changing.
Ain't nothing changing.
Focus on following the plan here and focusing on being patient and disciplined with our plan. And good things will happen.
Yeah, and we witnessed that yesterday.
We don't have any goals here. The only goal is to follow our plan. That's it.
That's it. Hey, yo, guys, welcome to the stream. If you haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Come vibe with us every day, man. I want to see you guys grow as traders, grow as people. If you haven't liked the stream, go ahead and like the stream as well. We got 400 people here, but only 100 likes.
Rookie numbers.
Can we get those rookie numbers up? The war room. Yeah, Blake. Shout out to Blake. Felt the reward of patience yesterday, brother Nick. Awesome, Bradley. Romans 1:16. Yeah. I got caught in the fake out. How could I avoid it? Very simple. You wait for range 2 sells below, and then you take sells. When the previous daily candle is bullish, wait for range 2 sells. Don't go against the bullish trend. That's what got you. You basically got this daily came down to make a bottom wick, which it should. It's normal for it to do that. It's supposed to do that. It's designed to do that. But the problem is, when you take sells, you get sucked back up, and you don't want that to happen. So wait for range 2 sells to confirm that we are going down, and then take your sells. So pretty much what happened was right here you had your supports, right? And then you had your resistance. So below here you need a range 2. You know, I know you see clean traffic to the left, but it's designed to look that way to fake you out. So anything below that level, if we're going against the daily bias, we don't get in on this breakout here. We need price to come back. We need the price to come and make like a support. Wait for all this to happen, you know, and then wait for some sort of resistance up here, and then take your sells. So you got to be patient. You got to be patient. But patient traders, what do we say? Get rewarded. And now you can take your sells coming down. Yeah, so you always want to wait for that second range to form when you're going against the previous daily candle. All right, that's your second range. You got range 1, right? Support, resistance. Now you got a new support, a new resistance, and this becomes range 2. And anything below here, you take your sells coming down. So that's how you could avoid fake outs. Not all fake outs, but a lot. We've avoided a ton of fake outs, gang.
Yeah, and you can see it almost did it there too, but you know, no bottom wick.
Yeah, yep.
And that's also important.
Yep.
And that's why we say to wait. If you, no bottom wick, no top wick, nothing.
Nothing.
You don't say all these things for no reason.
Right.
Say it off experience and backed up data.
Yep. Yep. The stream is blessed. You're all blessed watching this stream. Yeah, you are. Yep, yep. Yep, range 2 sells. You gotta wait for the range 2. Oh, I'm so happy I found the stream. Been here since yesterday. Already learned a lot. Wow. Dope. All right, let's take a look at pound yen, and then we will also look at US30, and then we will chill out. So GJ, pound yen here. So monthly time frame is moving along pretty bullish here. Looks like we still got room to go. Taking a look at the weekly's bullish as well. Looks like we've broken the highs here. Daily is looking good too. Broke above this resistance where it looks like we're continuing on here. Taking a look to the left hand side on the daily, we are approaching this this rejection here now. So we don't know if you have a rejection here, rejections here. You have, you know, some sort of support. So we don't know if the daily wants to continue on, or, you know, what it wants to do. We do know that we're at a resistance level though. So we'll see what happens here. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hours closing bearish, or it closed bullish, right? Yeah, 4 hour closed bullish. No bottom wick on that 4 hour time frame. The one thing I do not like about pound yen is that we cannot see what we got going on to the left. So that's a little sketchy. So I do know we're at this resistance though. So let's just take a look at the 1 hour, try and find some range here. So 1 hour is pumping down pretty well. Let's take a look at the 30 minute. All right, cool. So we have a support here and we have a resistance here. If we get some sort of range to sell below, then I think we could be good, right? Because we're bullish. Yeah, if we get a range to sell here, then we could probably look to take sells coming down, you know, to retest this support back in this range. So I'll probably just look for that today. I don't know, you know, what's the deal here with the buys and where the traffic is. So yeah, I probably won't even touch pound yen today. But yeah, if anything, I'll take range 2 sells below here. So basically just like a break and retest. So breakthrough, retest, come down. So honestly, I'm not too interested in pound yen. I want to see how the daily closes today. But I will take sells below here and then range 2 sells. And then we'll look, I don't know, maybe we'll see about buys, but yeah,
I think next week will be nice for pound yen. Way cleaner.
Yeah, because remember, we're coming into that daily rejection, so we are rejecting it. So it would make sense for this daily candle to pull back now. So we'll see. We'll see if we get range 2 sells. But way more interested in gold here today. Looks like we're starting to poke our head up here. We got 2 minutes left in this 30-minute candle. So we'll see what happens. And let's take a look at US30. US30. So yeah, I think we may start to apply US30, but I'm still gonna wait. You know, this is a pair I've been sample sizing, and one thing I learned from Don is that if you're gonna sample size, man, give it time. Like seriously, like we've been looking at US30 for a year now, and have not really pulled the trigger on it yet. But we have been studying it, and one thing I've been noticing is that our system, our strategy works out really well with US30. I think it's all about waiting for that 4-hour candle. So what I've been noticing is that throughout our session, it's almost every day where it's best to just wait for that 4-hour candle to close. And all we need to do on US30 is predict or anticipate where the next 4-hour candle is going to go. And then we mark our ranges off on the lower time frame, and that's it. We wait for 9:30, and then we could look for positions. So if we are looking for positions here today, daily did close bullish above this range here. Looks like we're making a daily bottom wick, and then we can continue up. And the daily target here today, 34119, right? I don't even know. 34119. How do we even say these numbers? But yeah, that's the daily target for today. So if we're gonna look to take buys, how are we gonna do it? Right? We're looking at the 4-hour. It looks like we are closing bullish. We did break the highs here. So we want to see this 4-hour candle close above this range here. If we do that, we have clean traffic to the left-hand side to take advantage of. And that would be a beautiful move. So right now, the previous 4-hour candle closed, and it closed as a, you know, in a way like a doji, but a bullish candle, closing above this support here. So we've already broken the highs. Maybe we're coming down to make a steeper bottom wick, and then the closure of this 4-hour candle should look something like this. Oh, not red. Should look something like this. And if that's the case, then we look to take our buys coming up based off the 1-hour time frame to continue up here today. Clean traffic to the left-hand side. So if this 4-hour candle that we're waiting on, right, and that seems to be like what I'm looking at in terms of trading US30, is sitting out this entire 4-hour candle until the 9 a.m. open and figuring out, did we close above? And if we do, then we can anticipate our buys on the next candle. And that's what I'm going to be looking at in terms of trading US30 moving forward, because it's a pair that moves later on in the New York session. It's a stock, you know, it's basically a stock in a way, you know, it's going to move during those hours. So yeah, I think we're on to something. We've been watching this for over a year now, and it's almost time to implement it. So I think clean buys are going to be above here on the 1-hour time frame, and I think you'll probably start to create a support, right? Because this is the range that you're in. If you do break below there, we may continue down, but if you do create that support here, which is aka that 4-hour bottom wick, right? 4-hour bottom wick, and also daily bottom wick, then you know, we can anticipate candles pushing up to fill this range on the 1-hour time frame here. So yeah, that's what we'll look at. So range 2 sells are going to be below here. Range 2 sells, and buys above here. Pretty simple. So just like gold, just like pound yen, we're gonna treat this the same exact way. Same pair, all we're looking at is candles here, and that's it. Candles, price action, and understanding times and, you know, about that pair. So yeah, that's it. That's US30 here today. So those are the ranges. You may even probably be able to come down here today. If we get that range too and break daily lows, then we'll look to take advantage of that. So nothing in here for US30. Let's wait for the 4-hour candle to close, and then anything above here is going to be really clean, moving with the daily bias, and anything range 2 below here should be pretty clean as well today. So that's going to be the deal for US30. Sound good. And as you can notice, US30 is still on the bench. Maybe, just maybe, we will switch it around. And looks like gold 30-minute, ooh, closed above here. Closed above. See, man, I want to see the 1 hour. I think I want to see the 1 hour close, right? Because we're waiting for volume at NY Open. So I think if we get a 1 hour closure, it'll be a lot more confirmation than a 30-minute. How cool would it be for a 30-minute celery here and 1 hour breakout, and we take our buys on the break of these highs? Same thing. Perfect. Take our buys on the break of this high. We should have no problem filling that wick with the NY Open. Yeah, yep, clean range here. So yeah, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for the 1 hour candle here, and if that candle closes above, then you pretty much have a 30-minute celery play right for NY Open. So that's what I'm gonna be waiting on here for gold. Okay, yeah, let's check out that US30 analysis that Jose sent. Appreciate you, Jose. Sent US30. Can you review it? It's in the New York session. Yeah, let's take a look. Yeah, for those of you guys who aren't in our Discord, you guys can come in our Discord and bring your knowledge here, or if you need some knowledge, we got it. So let's see here. Boom. Buys above. Yeah, yep, that's exactly what we talked about. Yep. Perfect. Yeah, range. So I would wait for range 2 sells, but in a way, I mean, we kind of got a range 2, but I would still wait for range 2 sells below there today. But like, I see that we did come down, create a support. We kind of created a resistance. So if we close back below, but I still don't like that. I'd rather wait. I'd rather still wait for another range 2 here to go down. So that's the only thing. Other than that, lines up perfectly. Yeah, beautiful. Let's go. Good work. Good work, Jose.
Yeah, I see a lot of people learning, like I was saying yesterday.
Me too, man. Me too. Love that.
And the discipline too.
Yep, a lot of discipline.
How good does it feel whenever you guys, you know, can sit out a trade and then not take a stupid loss? Like if you were to have just entered sales like at 5 a.m. whenever that 4-hour candle closed below, like some people wanted to in the Discord, you would have been in drawdown, and eventually your stop sign probably would have got tapped.
Yep.
Or soon.
Yep.
Yep.
That's so true. Yeah, we talk about it all the time, chat. Like, I don't think many people really talk about that, but avoiding just unnecessary trades, avoiding unnecessary losses, right? And like I always say, go into your P&L right now and go look at your last 30 trades. And imagine if you could remove 4 to 5 of those losing trades. You know, how much, let's say you know, hopefully everyone's in profit, right? But over the last 30 trades, but how much more profit would you have if you just subtracted 4 or 5 of those unnecessary losses that you took? That right there alone will make you more of a profitable trader. Just taking unnecessary losses will make you more of a profitable trader, because your wins have much more of an effect. They have a much bigger impact on the overall P&L because those losses aren't there. So if you could just avoid taking some losses here and there, how much could that help your trading? You know, probably a lot. So that's what we talk about all the time. It's not taking so many winning trades. It's all about minimizing the losing trades that you're taking and the unnecessary ones. And that's why we talk about the fake outs and the candles with no top wicks or bottom wicks, or the closures above or below the ranges, right? These are why we say these things. It's not that we're trying to keep you out of a trade or anything like that. It's that we have so much experience on these candles during the session that we know what works and what doesn't. And we understand that sometimes it is going to work out, it is going to just fly, and we're cool with letting moves like that go because they don't fully line up with what we're looking for, right? And that's the mindset you have to have coming into this. It's, hey, convince me or not. I heard one guy say it, a trader, he said it's either a big time yes or a big time no. And it's very simple. This candle closes like that at the end of the hour, even though it's NY open. For me, it's a big no. It's just a big time no. I'm not going to take it. Will 8 a.m. Will impulse entries at 8 a.m. work when the highs break? I'm sure they will. But I'm not here to participate unless this candle closes above. That's it. It's not that we're missing moves. It's we're choosing to stick to our plan. And when you're sticking to your plan, sometimes price runs without you, and you have to be okay with that. As a professional trader and a trader who's mature in their actions and decisions, you just got to be cool with that. All right, go back to yesterday's stream and see how we handled deleting the buy stops or the buy stops. See how we handled that when this was coming up. Where was it? Where was it? Right here. So remember, this candle, these two wicks were right where they're at, right? They met right here, and the 30-minute was coming to a close, right? And we talked about at 9:20, if we don't get activated, we're going to delete these and we're going to wait for 9:30. Now the issue is, it's not really an issue, but it could be for you, is that you have to understand when you're deleting those buy stops, or really the buy stops are here. When you're choosing to delete those, you have to also choose to be okay with this candle doing the work and missing out on the move. Because you're not missing out, you're just not settling, right? You're choosing to wait for a much higher probability setup. We talked about it yesterday. Okay, right in front of us now, we have an 84% win rate on this setup right here. But if we wait 10 more minutes, we can increase that to a 92%. So are you willing to miss a move potentially in the weights of something much better? I am. I'm willing to do that. And you just have to be okay with, hey, if it drives, it drives, But what do we know? We know that most of the time it doesn't drive. And most of the time it'll be a dud candle and the next one will drive, and that's why we did what we did yesterday. But you got to be okay that sometimes, it's going to drive without you.
Yeah. And why else would we wait? Because the next candle's going to drive with the New York session open.
Yep.
That's the whole big reason behind it too.
Yeah.
Just knowing when the times of volume are going to come in and waiting for them and kind of playing around them. You can't really sit there in the middle of the session at like 5 in the morning and expect something to, shoot out 100 pips.
Yeah.
Try and catch some crazy banger,
Yeah. Yep, you got to understand. I talk to the elite guys all the time about this, about where are you? Where are we with the clock, right? And some of you guys played sports, whether it's basketball, football, soccer, right? There's a clock, right? You're running with that clock. You always need to know how much time is on the clock. right? You may be getting ready for a beautiful 3-pointer to win the game, but you don't know that you got 1 second left, and boom, you know. So you always got to know where the clock is. Same thing with trading. You always got to understand what time is it. Is this candle about to close? What's going on? When's the volume? Is the volume here, or is it coming in on the next candle? So these are things that you have to keep in mind if you want to have like a really grade A plus successful trade setup.
And psychologically too, you just dodge all that drawdown and sitting in that trade, and then you start wondering, and you start worrying, oh, is it gonna drop with NYSE open?
Yes,
you know,
exactly.
all that, you just miss it. You know, that trade, I'm pretty sure, just went straight into profit.
It did. And that's the thing, like Sam just said, because if we get tapped in right here, which we would have, as you can see, well, we don't know now this candle closes back here. Now we're in drawdown to begin with. And now we don't know if this candle wants to make a steep bottom wick, and what happens if it breaks the low now? Now you know NYSE is going to push price down, so why even be in that? Right? That's why we deleted everything and we waited for the next candle, and we went instantly into profit, and target got tapped. So that's, for those reasons, that's important to know where you're at on the clock.
Yeah, just think of it logically. Like, you know, this candle's gonna close. What is the next one gonna do?
Yeah.
So you want to see it make a bottom wick, so you gotta take that into effect too.
Give me 1 second, boys.
You know, it all flows. You gotta get into that flow state. You know, just like Nick says, the charts flow. You gotta flow with the chart. Wait for those bottom wicks, top wicks. Wait for the highs to be broken. And you know, that's how you get the best setups. Why settle for something less, you know?
Exactly.
And then what you can put alongside that is, you know, make sure you're journaling your trades, because then you can actually see, you have literally proof in the flesh right in front of you that you are successful, you know, with your setup or your plan. And so then why wouldn't you execute on it? You know, why wouldn't you follow it? Just think of it like that. You know, you got the proof right in front of you.
100%.
And then you are the proof. How to calculate pips in gold? Every $1 it moves is 10 pips. So if price moves up from 1967 to 1968, that's 10 pips. How do you change timeframe buttons at the top of the page and the drop down bar? I'm not sure. Mine are just like that by default. To make those templates, who was that asked that? TK? Yeah, you can literally, once you have your line, double click on it, and you'll see in the bottom left when it brings up the like style text coordinates, it says template, and then you can just save them. And then you can just click the little drop down, and you can make your own. You can put whatever you want. How many of you jumped into the gold buys once it closed above here on this 30-minute candle or in drawdown right now? My question.
Right up.
Hey, yo, click the like button. Chat, there's some lonely traders out there that need your help. With just one like, you can get this stream out to one lonely trader. One trader who's down to his last $10 account. You can get it out to him, and we can save him today. So like the stream.
Right up.
Yo, thank you, Scott. You too.
Love from Pakistan. Mufasa. What a powerful name. Mufasa. Patience. Give the countdown 100 likes in 5 seconds. Yeah, can we do that? Can we get 100 likes in 5 seconds? How many likes can we get? Let's see how many likes. We got 206. Let's see if how many we can get in the next 10 seconds. Or actually 15 seconds for this candle to close right here. Or this minute to close. This 1 minute candle. Let's see how many likes we can get. Like it, like it, like it, like it, like it. Man, I've been trying to get hands on this trading. Oh, yeah. Yeah, save yourself. Don't even tell your friends. Don't even let people know you do anything with trading. Just tell them you work for Target. Yeah, just pick something and just tell them. Something boring where they're not going to be like, so, you know, what do you do at Target? Like, you know, if you say you work at Target, it's like, oh, okay, next thing to say, you know. You start saying you're a day trader, they go start talking about a bunch of nonsense. Oh man, you could probably invest some money for me. Yeah, I probably could if you had some money. And then they just go down this deep hole. Oh, you're an investor, huh? Nah, man,
There's so many questions.
I'm a lifeguard at a public pool. That's all I do.
Yeah.
I work for Target. I'm a grocery clerk. Don't tell your friends you're a trader, I promise you. They don't need to know.
I like what TK just said too. He said, Nick ain't in, I'm not in. I'm not trying to beat Nick. And you know, Nick aside too, like everyone else, trying to beat the market. I love that because you know, you're dropping the ego. You're trying to learn, and you know, ego's never gonna beat, or you're never gonna beat the market with ego.
Facts. I ain't trying to beat the market.
Get clapped up. Yeah, it's gonna clap you up every time.
I know the market holds the decisions. I know they're the alpha. I just run with the markets, you know? If they want to skip on down, I just skip on with them, and that's it, man.
You're a bandwagon to the market.
Bandwagon, baby.
Markets don't even know who you are.
They don't even know me, but I know them.
No. They don't know how many pips you want or anything.
Yeah. Hey, I think this is a good analogy to start using for when we're in the range. We came up with it yesterday. It just kind of randomly came out, and we talked about how like this range is basically like any of you guys or girls, any of you guys ever been in the car with another couple, and they just kind of start bickering back and forth, and maybe they're trying to make a decision on where to eat tonight, and you know, one of them wants, you know, pizza, and he's like, honey, I'll get you pizza, and she's like, no, I want Chinese. He's like, awesome, I'll get you Chinese. No, I don't want Chinese, actually. I want this, or I want that, or I want to go here, I want to do this. Right? Isn't it weird being a part of that, sitting in the back seat? So this is what you're doing. You don't want anything to do with any of this argument. You just want these guys to figure out where they're going and just go with them. That's it.
Yes.
Yeah, you don't want to be a part of the
Great
argument.
analogy.
Yeah, isn't that annoying? Like, let's go, make a decision. Well, that's what the candles are doing. Yeah, can we go somewhere? Can we just go anywhere at this point? Like, I don't care. Buy or up or down. Let's just go. So, yeah, funny. I want a juicer. First time on the stream. It was highly recommended by a friend. Oh, awesome. Hey, if you guys aren't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. I guess we're on our way to 4K. I think like 4 days ago we were on our way to 3K, but I guess we are now on the way to 4K. Yeah, last week we were on our way to 3K, and now we're on our way to 4K. I'm watching from my account and from a guest account. Can give only 1 like. Trading is the hardest way to make easy money. I like that.
Gold seems overbought. See, that's just like we were just saying, you know, we're just going to let it show us. If it wants to go up, it'll go up.
That's what you guys,
we'll execute.
That's what you guys said yesterday when we took this buy right here. Right at this level. You guys said gold is overbought, and then we took a buy and it went like 80 pips in profit here. So trust me, me and gold have been hanging out every day for 2.5 years. Gold, when gold wants to rally, gold will rally. Trust me.
Yeah.
But if it is overbought, then it'll show in these ranges here. And if it is, then if it wants to go down, it'll close below this range. So that's why we'll wait. We'll wait for, like John said, the market to show its hand. Like Sam said, let the market do what it wants to do, and we'll just go with it.
Yes, we have a high win rate because we need to see certain things from past experience. We need to see certain things to align. And like we talk about, we need to see it align with the time it is right now. And we need to have strong confirmations, and the trade needs to be like obvious to us. Like it needs to stand out to us. And it needs to be we need to jump on it, kind of. So
It's super
we
selective.
have a high win rate for a reason.
There's probably like 50 candles on Nick's chart that you can see right now. You know how many we've executed on one? Just one of them.
Yep. Just this one right here. Right here. That was our only trading candle. Right there. And now we wait for another one. Another one. I'm a waiter. I wait on charts, Flo. Hey. I'm a waiter. I wait on charts. I like that.
Yeah, I like that.
Let's get it. It's Friday. Love the stream, Nick. Hey, Forex Frank. Thanks, man. Oh yeah, chat. By the way,
Already.
all the time to eat elite is completely filled. So there's no openings on that for maybe a couple weeks now. So everything is filled on the elite program, but we'll open up more spots in July. So come July, we'll have more spots open, but for now, everything is, oh, look at this, 5 minutes left for the NY Open, and we're looking like celery play here. So let's see if we can hold up. 1 hour candle is going to close above. Pretty good. Let's make sure we got, yeah, looks good.
Be patient for 4 more minutes.
Looks good. Oh. This is what we seen happen yesterday too. Yeah, so everything is filled up, gang. So I'll let you guys know, probably late in this month, like towards like the last couple days of this month is when we will start to open the spots back up. And because we do have a few people basically graduating, passing their prop firm challenges. I think all but one person passed their challenges and stuff. So yeah, we had a good run this one, and I look forward to opening up like another 10 spots for the beginning of July. So if it's something you're interested in, just know July will be the next wave of Time to Eat Elite members.
That's wonderful.
Yeah,
that's hard to do. 90% success rate with people.
Yeah, it's good, man.
Oh,
yeah, that's true,
awesome.
actually.
Elite members 8.
That's awesome. That's awesome. That's
Yeah.
actually nuts.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm having a lot of fun too. The teacher always does the most learning anyway. So I have a lot of fun doing these.
Yeah. No one better be jumping into these gold buys either. Look at the candles we executed on yesterday, and then look at how it looks right now.
Yeah, let's take a look. Just look at it.
Don't jump the gun yet.
Well, there's a thing about waiting for volume time, and you guys will see that more and more.
Yep.
And who wants to get activated? Who wants to get into a buy with 3 minutes left so the candle closes?
Just wait on it.
Just wait on it.
Chat, look at this and look at this. All right?
Look at this. Yeah.
Just look at it, man. So NY Open, this was NYSC Open, this is NY Open. So yeah, we make it a nice move here.
Oh.
We just broke the daily highs too, by the way.
Ooh.
And honestly, above this isn't bad either.
Yeah.
That's totally fine.
Uh,
I'm gonna wait on you. Just wait on it. But yeah, let me set up here and yeah, I have buy stops here. So stops would be kept below this 30-minute low, which is yeah, it's going to be below the 30-minute lows here. For closing above, our stop should be good back below the range. So that's going to be what, like 20, yeah,
23.
about 21 pip stop. So not bad at all. $23, $21, somewhere around there, right?
Yeah.
Just wait on it. Okay, so boom. Just make sure the candle closes above, and then we should be good. Let me just send this. Okay, so we got what, 4 seconds here. All right, chat. So I'm gonna have some buy stops here on the break of the highs. Let me just move this up just a little bit. Count for spread. So buy stops on the break of the highs here. Would like to see a bottom wick, but may not get one.
What up? What up?
What up, Uncle Scalp?
Good Uncle Scalp.
I'm on a team.
Team. What's going on here? Might have some buy stops here. If we get a bottom wick, that'd be awesome as well.
Yeah, with the new 1 hour.
Yeah.
How's Miami so far?
Ah, man, I love this place.
Facts.
I love this place, man.
He loves it.
You just can't help but love this place.
Just the vibes.
Yeah, it's just a vibe, it's just a complete vibe. Like as soon as we get here, it's just the air is better, everything's better.
Oh yeah, I bet. That's awesome.
Yeah.
This guy said the air is better. Yeah, any air is better than what you got right now. That's too funny. Yeah, just make sure your buy stops are a little bit above. You want to account for spread here. You don't want to get spreaded into this position. Wait for that break above. I don't think we're going to get a bottom wick here. We might just start popping some. But if we are breaking the high, then we should continue up. The spread, so there's normally like a 1 or 2 pip spread that price will activate you in, so you don't want to get spreaded in before the high breaks. So move your entry up a little bit, so that way spread doesn't tap you in.
Yeah, generally me personally, just kind of look at what my spread's at, and then add a little bit to it. Put it right there.
So this is what the position's gonna look like. It's gonna look just like this. Bam. So that's gonna be the position here. 1 hour bottom wick would be perfect. So yeah, that's what it'll look like, and then we'll go break even right around this area up here, which is about 15, 20 pips. We'll go break even. All right, perfect. Now we got that bottom wick. We're going to establish a new low, and once we establish that new low, our stops are going to be below this low, and then that, you know, we shouldn't break that. If we're going to come down right now to make a new low and then break the high, now we're breaking highs. So if we've got a new low, we're going to come up to break a new high, to make a new high. Perfect.
So using the current 1 hour low now instead of previous 30.
Yep, or we could do that. You could do 1 hour low, previous 30, whatever works best for you. I'm gonna stick with the previous 30, just because it's only 21 pips. So. Let's see here. All right, that's perfect. That's a good wick.
Now we just need to flip. Flip. I don't know any other songs that say flip. What was the one you guys were saying?
Flip, flip, flip. That's the Little Flip song from back in the day.
Just wait on it.
Just wait on it.
But I got activated.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
You're not that guy, pal. All right, perfect. Just a beautiful, ideal, perfect bottom wick there.
Activated, broke the high on my broker. See, that's the thing. It even broke it on TradingView, just like by like a half of a pip. And that's why we said, you know, just kind of keep it up. So you don't want to get spread in because we knew it was going to make a bottom wick.
Yep. Full risk? Yeah, full risk. Been tapped in already? Yeah, that's why I was talking about the spread there, like Sam said. Yeah, you never want to, especially for buys, you never want to keep your buys right on the line. Because what's going to happen is you're going to get activated like right here. So you always want to account for spread and make sure you're a little bit above.
Always.
But you guys should be good. I mean, I'm expecting price to continue up. We got a 1 hour bottom wick. Perfect. Ooh, got me some magic keys. Awesome.
Nice.
Yeah, it's alright, gang. You're ahead in this trade. If some of you guys are activated, you're ahead in here. You're in a buy where the candles have closed above both times. NY open should create a 1 hour bottom wick and then just pop. Yeah, you should be good here, gang. We're all ready to get in, so
yeah,
we'll be in there.
You know, it's gonna pull back a little, you know.
Yeah.
Like we said, the big candles are 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m. You know, that's when you see the most volume. So.
Yep. Yeah, no, this is good. 15 close above. It broke the 15 low, which is really good. And now, yeah, we should continue up.
8 a.m.
8 a.m.
Chat, just another trade, right? This is what we do. We're traders. It's just another trade. Our job calls to
Hey,
execute
chat.
when our setup presents itself, and that's what we do.
Take a deep breath with me. Just relax.
Everything will be alright.
8:30 news? Nah, no news today. News on the CAD. Take a couple deep breaths, chat. In and out. In and out. There you go, Nick. I needed that. Yup. Stretch out a little bit, you know. Stretch. Get your muscles. Get yourself loose.
It's
Look
our
at
job.
this.
It's our job to execute, and the result does not matter. The result is up to probabilities of charts. We have
Yes.
backed up data on setups, so.
Yes. So we respected that 30-minute low. Beautiful.
Why we stick to our higher time frames too, because right there, if you would have taken that on the 15, boom, definitely would have hit your stop loss. Now it's coming up and you're saying, oh man, I was in buys, but
Yep.
you know, the market's so manipulated.
Yeah. And that's a good reason why I don't manage positions based off of those lows breaking anymore. Because that throws an L on the board. So when it's really a winning position, or it could be a winning position. So that's why I only manage positions now on closures when in losing situations. And guess what? If I hit full stop loss, it doesn't matter to me. I'm prepared for that loss. I'm prepared. I'm risking that, right? I'm risking that to gain X. So it doesn't matter if I hit the stop loss. It's just one trade. It's just another trade. So it never matters to me because I'm never over risking. Back in the day, when I used to be over risking, oh man, oh my God, I can't breathe. Oh man, I'm in drawdown. I can't handle this.
Right.
Oh my God, I gotta close this. I gotta close. You know, it's just like accept the loss and you know, believe in the probability of the trade.
That's why we say risk whatever you feel comfortable losing.
Yeah. There's nothing else to it but to do it. Oh, Don's got the same buys. There you go. Perfect. So now you guys
Extra confirmation.
Yeah, there's extra confirmation. So now that Don's got the buy stops, I guess it's safe to say so yeah, we pop off, we should be good. Oh, almost. Excuse me. We got comics open here as well. Oh, Raja's in. Oh, we got real extra confirmation.
Nice.
Well,
Wow.
some of you guys got
That's
three streams open today.
To look at this.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah,
I love that.
Had you got 3 streams going on with 2 eyeballs in 2 years? Holy.
You guys are working overtime.
Working overtime. You guys are at your full-time job with 3 streams up, trying to pay attention to your job, this stream, that stream. Damn, you guys are better than me.
Doing too much.
I need some new managers. Some of you 3 streamers, send me your resume because I need some help here.
Imagine if you put all that effort out into one stream, you know?
Yeah.
And, you know, you could very well likely become a mod.
It's so hard though because they're just all incredible streams, you know? They're
Yeah.
just all magnificent. So, all right, so now that so I'm gonna put 10 lots for me, 10 lots for the other streamers as well. So 30 lots are gonna be on this line here today.
Big ballin'.
Get it?
Hold on, do we have any other streamers? I could add another 10 lots if they can confirm this as well.
Yeah, we'll all start margining.
That's why people sending desk setups with 8 screens. That's funny. What? Yo. It's like the NFL red zone, bro. Yo, that's too funny, bro. All right, and now on the time to eat trading stream, we have buy stops have been activated as well on this.
That's actually amazing. The NFL red zone.
That is too funny, Joe.
That's very funny. It really is, though. That's exactly what it is.
That's too funny.
All right, time to eat training. Just plays buy stops. Okay. Raja just added another position.
Raja's in from down here because he's got the discounted price. He's got the discount.
That's crazy. Yeah, that is wild. 3 streamers all have the same buy stops.
Not for
stop.
You guys are working
professionals.
overtime though, bro.
Yeah. Hey, chat, I think I'm gonna make the line on the buy stop and make it green. Right? Shouldn't we do that? Green. Green for buy stops,
green,
red for sell stops. What do you guys think?
Yeah, you could do that.
Sick.
Yeah, I like this. And then the stop loss is below the 1 hour low here. So we got a 15 close coming up. 15 celery play showing itself, showing its hand here. This candle is going to close in 10 seconds. So let's see if this candle closes above, that's going to add more confirmation to our trade. But it looks really good on the 30 minute. It really looks really good on the 1 hour. And the 4 hour candle is probably going to push up. This will also be breaking the 4 hour high here. So this 4 hour, I'm assuming, wants to close above, potentially fill this wick or fill the wick on the next candle. So we'll see. But if we're not activated in this trade by 8:40, then I'm gonna delete the buy stops and we're gonna wait for the 4 hour candle. Because then it would be a 1 hour celery play also. Man said the red zone. That had me, oh my god, that's funny.
There's no way 3 streamers lose, right? See, that's the thing too. We could literally all take this trade. Us, Don, Raja, all 3 of us lose, and some of you would still be like, oh, well, come on, man.
Yeah.
Just people following their plan.
Never heard of Raja and Don before the stream. Sticking with Nick and the fellas. Hey, KV, the loyal one.
Shout out KV. Ooh, I see nasty.
Bro, your stream has like a 10-second delay? Nah, it's a 5-second delay, and every stream's got that. Yeah, if you, yeah, all the time to eat elite guys have access to the Zoom too, so you guys are more than welcome to jump on if you want. But green for green, green for green. TP is blue line? What blue line? What blue line? That's probably the other stream. I don't see a blue line. TP is TP is this gray line. Yeah, TP is basically right here. So let's move this over so we know. This is gonna be like first target here. So we do have comics open here in just a few minutes. That may be what pushes us in, and yeah, I think break even is gonna be right around 15 pips here. I'm gonna go break even. There you go. So now without being on the trade yet, because I don't have my stuff up there, now you see buy stops are here. Stop loss is below the 1 hour low. What is that? 1965.038. And partials are going to be this orange line here. Let me just 1965 035. All right, we got Comics Open coming in. What we gonna do?
I can't even hear it.
Uncle Scalp, did they give you the job on the plane this flight? You should have been like, hey, I'll do that for you. Be like, I plan takeouts a couple times a week.
Pilot got.
Hey, everyone in chat, tell Uncle Scalp he needs to talk about the Time to Eat trading stream to every single person he meets at the FX Summit this weekend.
Facts.
Oh yeah, obviously.
You got to, did you tell the pilot? Come
I told the
on.
pilot, I said catch me at the convention center. Come through.
You should have said,
Catch me at the convention center.
jump on the Time to Eat live streams to catch a real flight, pilot.
I wonder if Roger's there today or he's getting there tomorrow or something.
No, he's not going.
I thought he was going.
Nope.
Damn.
Yup, he's not gonna be there.
Wait, do you know if Don's going?
Nah.
I don't think he's going.
Raja capped on it, but
Yeah, he did say he was going though.
yeah, at one point he did, but I guess not. All right, so we should see some volume here. We may get tapped in here. Just be prepared because it could be a really quick push. So we have the comics open. If we decide to break the highs, it's going to be a quick push up. Here we go. We're pushing down. Let's see if we push up. We're pushing down, but we need to be pushing up.
Oh.
Do. Okay, so it looks like we broke 30-minute lows here. 1 hour is still fair game though. Whoops. Those that got activated, I guess today are gonna learn about spread. So W on learning about spread today. I think we all need to learn about spread. And a lot of times we don't learn until spread teaches us. So now for those who have gotten tapped in early on this position, now you have a really good lesson on what spread is and to how to account for it. That's all you can do. You can't be mad, you just gotta take the lesson. All right, so we're moving into a 30 pip stop loss here now. So what is that? That is 1964 135. Give me 1 sec, I'm gonna just grab some water. Raja took sell at the break of the lows. Uh-oh. Yeah, it still looks pretty clean on the 1 hour. Like I said, if it gets to 840 or this 30-minute candle closes strong bearish, then we'll delete. But for now, we're gonna keep these. Give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
Yeah, W for those who got tapped in early.
You said
That's
W.
red.
Daily candle looks good to go up. Yep. I mean, that's where the basis of this trade lies, you know. We start with the daily bias for a reason. It's super important. And that's why we have range 1 and range 2 as well in our strategy.
Hey, yo, 600 people. Appreciate you guys coming by. If you guys could like the stream, sub to the channel as well. Pull up. Yeah, see, the tricky part now is you don't know who to listen to. Right? Now you're on 3 streams and you don't know, should I be taking sells? Should I be taking buys?
They
like,
said he closed it and I lost.
Yeah, you know, one guy took sells, one guy deleted buy styles. We're keeping buy. Now you are so confused right now. Gang, you guys are confusing me. So you guys must be confused. Right? You got to stick with what you have confidence in, what you have sample size. And this is a play that we have sample size data on, and we're going to stick with it. 15 lows could break, 30 lows could break, but as long as that 1 hour low stays strong, and then we're good. Once the 1 hour low breaks, then we can probably delete. Because why would we break this high and not go up at this point? Right? If we're going to break this high now, there's a really high probability we go up. Not back down.
If we break this high, we're going to the moon.
Yeah. So the next step here is seeing how this 30-minute candle closes. So if we do start closing, let's say, let's get rid of everything real quick. If we start closing below this level here, I'll probably say this level right here, then we will probably delete the buy stops and wait for the 4 hour candle. Because if we're closing below, then there's a high chance that the next candle will continue down to that support, tap into that support. But if we close above this level, then we break these highs again, we should be coming up to 1969 here. But let's see how this 30-minute candle closes. Just look at it. Hey man, you don't want to wait for a break and retest? No, not if we close above on the 30-minute. If we break the highs on the next 30-minute candle, it should continue up. But it all depends on the closure of this candle here. Excuse me. Yep. You're so right. I just listened and now I'm so lost. Yeah, man. Trust me, I've been there. It gets very tricky when you do that. It only really hurts you in the long run.
But if we pull back up, oh man.
Yeah, if we pull back up, that means we grabbed all that liquidity and price should, if we break the highs, price should fly.
I'm gonna say, Angelo, give me that bill.
Oh, I talked to him, by the way.
Why'd you talk to him?
I talked to him like 2 days ago. And we were just talking about some of the stuff that they're working on and about the stream a little bit.
Nice.
And, yeah. So we may have to run up. I wanna wait for them to figure out what they're doing with the $1 million account, and then yeah, might go for it. But if they don't get it done by the end of the year, I have no problem just hanging tight and waiting. In the meantime, though, I might actually go for their 400K. We'll see. We may do that on stream. Just record everything. I'll just hook it up to one of the copy traders and run it up. Which strategy are you using at this time, sir? It's just my strategy. Yeah, it's just a combination of what I learned from the top dogs. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for all you do. Really, the work of God. Oh, nice. Yes, it is. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna close below here. So we got 1 minute left in this in this candle. Did we break the one? We still didn't break the 1 hour lows yet. So we're still holding strong here. 4 hours still may be able to push up. 4 hour is looking pretty decent. I mean, if we need to push up though. If we're gonna go up, we need to make a strong 4 hour candle, most likely closing above this level here. And then guess what? That gives us a 1 hour celery play too, gang. 1 hour celery. It's gonna fly. You still got a buy stop? Yeah, still got buy stops. Oh, 8:30, new 30-minute candle. Did we close above? Oh wow, we closed below here. Yeah, I'm gonna hold these. Yeah, if we're breaking highs, we should continue up.
Did you get tapped in?
Yes, I'm in. So I am in some buys here. Got into some buys. Stops are gonna be about 30 pips.
5 pip spreads.
Yeah, what's that about? Yeah, I'm actually gonna put my stops on the flip of this candle. So if we're breaking the highs though, we should continue up. Oh, there we go, chat. Gonna move stops to break even. Oh, oh,
Wow.
perfect.
Ooh.
TP coming in hot here, chat. Stops are at break even. Boom.
Wow.
Boom.
And phase 2 is pet.
Wow.
Let's go. Done deal,
Let's go,
chat.
Uncle Scout.
Done deal. Shout out to Uncle
Damn.
Scalp, got it done, baby. Live account coming.
Hit up Angela for me.
W's.
That is nuts. Man.
Ah!
I closed my.
Gold's
buy stop.
oversold.
I deleted buy stops. Yeah.
That's crazy. Cause it closed. I was like, it's gonna close below, so I closed
Nope.
it like 10 seconds right before that
Nope.
happened. That's
Wowee.
Smoked, baby. Smoked.
Go. Everyone, go watch your other chats. Go watch your other live streams.
Yo.
crazy. Yeah, that's
Go
awesome.
watch your other live streams.
Beautiful.
W's. Hey, chat.
You wanna win? You come on this live.
Another trade, man.
What happened?
Hey, yo, spam
That
the
guy
chat with
moved,
W's real quick so we can get some of this on.
I
yeah,
think
there
that
you
was
go.
the funnest trade we ever took.
That was so fast.
I think that was the fun. I didn't even have to click anything.
Sheesh. Hey, yo,
I think that was
spam
the
the
funnest
chat.
trade.
Spam it. If you took a quick win, hit the W, press enter, and just spam it up.
That was the funnest trade we ever took.
Wow.
By far.
W, chat. Another one.
W.
Another good
Nice
day.
W.
That was amazing.
Full TP tapped.
Damn.
That's crazy.
You don't get much better than that. Hey,
That's
yo. Man has. All right. Oh, wow.
That volume is crazy.
That was
Beautiful.
insane.
No slippage.
Yeah.
I got no slippage on that. We actually got tapped in, went about 5 pips in drawdown, and then just flew. Hey, yo, the W's are coming. What did I say, chat? Bless coming in, bless going out. W's in the morning, W's in the afternoon.
W.
What a juice.
And
What a
what-
juice, sir.
And what do we
Good
say?
morning, Miami.
Good. And
Uncle
chat.
Scout just passed phase 2 in Miami. Let's go.
Oh.
Let's go.
Hey, chat. What do we say?
Another one.
Another one, baby. Good work. Good work. That's the trade.
That's
Now you have a reason to show them.
now that's a
You
juice.
down there in Miami.
Back
Yeah,
here.
exactly.
You have live account, boy.
You
know
got
what?
a funded live $300,000.
Let's
account.
go!
Shout out.
Uncle Scout.
$300,000.
Let's go.
Yo,
My
Nick,
boys
we
gotta make
talked
that
about
bank.
it. Nick, we talked about
This
it.
is that.
We
This is the
said-
moment, bro, that we talked about, right?
We said, wouldn't it be sick to go see Angelo and be like, yo, check this out. I just passed this before coming
Yup.
here today.
Hell yeah.
Manifested.
And we did that.
Beautiful, bro. That's crazy.
I
Bro,
love
I
it.
love it, bro. I
Yes, sir.
absolutely love it.
Congrats, bro. So proud of you, man. Uncle Scalp right here, the first ever time to eat elite member. Live account, baby. 300K. Let's go.
He's eating.
300.
Honey, guys.
The first ever time to eat elite member, bro. I appreciate you putting your trust in me as well, taking my advice, my mentorship, and I'm so proud of you, dude. To see the adjustments, the hard work pay off. You know, the trial and error, the discouragement through those other challenges, and now to see you get your live account, bro. Super proud of you, man. W's in the chat from Uncle Scout.
Let's go,
Bunko!
Let's go.
Yeah.
Tandy's here.
W's.
Oh.
Oh, my boy!
Yes, sir, Tandy.
How we doing, boys?
Good, Tandy.
Oh man, amazing after that one.
To look at that. Another one.
Ah, let's go. All right, perfect. So yeah, that's the trade, man. Let's mark that up and let's move on to the next.
Yeah, on to the next one. That was beautiful.
On to the live account, Uncle Scout.
Oh, yeah, onto the live account.
Nothing changes.
Nothing changed.
So again,
We didn't do anything
never
differently.
changes.
We didn't do anything differently.
Literally, all these trades are the
And
same.
all you hear from the chat is, again, we're overbought. This is a rejection level. This is this. This is why you can't listen to anybody outside of your own experience. This is why we kept those buy stops. I don't care if we broke the 30 lows. I don't care if we broke 15 lows. I don't care if we broke 5-minute lows. That was still a high probability 1 hour winning trade. And that's why we kept the buy stops, and it worked out for us. And one of the biggest things with streaming is, and anyone who ever prepares to stream in the future is, you got to keep your head locked in on what what you want to do, because the chat can easily try and influence you. But you have to, even me, gang, like I may influence you to get out of a trade that works. You always have to stick with what works best, what you have experience on, what you have sample size data on. And that trade was like no other trade. Just a simple 1 hour breakout, 8 a.m. volume, 8:30 push, simple. So we got activated at 8:30 a.m. and this is 6/9/23. That was a gold buy here. Breakout. That was what was that? Current candle? No, previous, right?
I think
Yeah.
Current.
Oh, yeah.
And now let's see if this template freezes up. Oh, no, it didn't. Full risk on that, and yeah, just closed full at my take profit got hit, so 31 pips. Didn't even close partials on that.
Yeah, I didn't close partials.
Dude,
I hit the full TP.
Yeah, we ran up. I'm like, oh, okay, I'm gonna move stops to break even here, and then 10 seconds later we smacked full TP.
Thanks. We all got that green bar today.
Hey, yo,
What time was that trade, Nick?
that was 8:30.
30.
Tandy's in the house.
God is good.
What's up, Cat?
Arnold swing open today.
God is good, the greatest. So let's go back to that.
We took that on a 1 hour.
Yeah,
Well,
that was I'm sorry.
We were at 30 and we switched
No.
back to the 1 hour.
That was a 1 hour trade.
Yeah.
32 pips. 32 pips. Oh, 32.
That was
32.
that was definitely the funnest trade I ever took.
W gang.
Honest.
What'd I tell you?
Another one.
Another one.
What's up, Scott? What's up, Red? What's up, boys?
Some of you
What up,
guys,
Danny?
some of y'all in the chat trying to tell me don't take these buys, but
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
you're not that guy.
They're like, oh my God, Russia's taking the sell.
Yeah. See, here's a good example. How many of you guys got thrown off there? Be honest. Be honest. I don't care if you were on multiple streams. It doesn't matter to me. But who can actually admit that really confused them there? They were all set to go on these buy stops, but then this person deleted it. This one switched to sells. That one switched to, right? How many guys just got a little confused there? So that's why I say focus on one stream. But wow, just a beauty.
Pip Snatcher, happy birthday.
Hey, yo, Pip Snatcher, happy birthday.
Oh, wait.
8%.
Birthday. Oh, gee.
Look at this, 8% made on a 50K funded account.
Jeez.
Love it.
Solid. Nick, you still gonna look for another position later during the session? Yeah, we might get another position at 9:30. But if this is my only position, gang, I'm done, man. What a week.
Wow.
What a
All
week.
you need is one trade.
Yeah, there most likely won't be another position, but again, if my setup shows up, it's my job to take that. So at this point, gang, I've now realized that I won this trade, but now this trade goes over here. It's already taken, it's already done. On to almost like a new day here.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, for real.
And if the setup shows up, we'll take the trade. If not, we're chilling.
On to the next trade.
Yep.
Can't celebrate your wins too much or dwell on your losses.
Yeah.
Yo, check that Discord. There's about 3 challenges they got passed in there.
Nice.
Or no,
Beast
just
Smith.
two. My bad.
Super
Only-
nice.
Shout out LaRon. Shout out B Smith.
Hey, LaRon. Nice, dude.
Go, LaRon.
on. Nice.
So some of you guys know LaRon. LaRon was the winner of the $20,000 challenge account. He actually increased it and upgraded it to a $100,000 challenge account, and now he passed it. And that was really what I wanted to see. I wanted to see whoever we gave those accounts away to pass this thing and change their life. So LaRon, you got a 100K account. So do I. Believe me when I tell you this, your life is about to change, bro. Stay disciplined, stay steady, and nothing changes. You just continue to keep taking the same trades that got you to where you are.
Let's go.
Strategy will never change.
Strategy
Ever.
never, yep. We may make
I think
little
he still
tweaks.
has phase 2.
What'd you say?
I think he still has phase 2 to do. He said phase
Oh,
1.
okay, cool. Well, hey, phase 1, there
But
you
hey,
go.
still though,
Yeah,
what
yeah.
Nick was just saying, nothing changes. Literally nothing
Yeah.
changes.
Yep.
Phase 1, phase 2, funded, live account, nothing changes.
Yeah.
Even if you're sitting there for whatever reason on demo.
Uncle's calling his mom and dad.
Yo.
Word.
he went on mute real quick to go call everyone.
Yeah, I'm watching this playback of that trade right now. That was insane.
Oh, man.
Mama, I did it.
Yo, Sam, you're good with those videos. Can you make a sick playback video for Instagram?
Oh,
Yeah, I got you. Because I was going to make one for yesterday, but, I ended up passing out. I was...
Yeah, let's see what
I got
happens
some
here.
good sleep. But I'll get one for today, too.
See, we got tapped in perfectly, gang. It rolled us in, so we never got any slippage, and then it rolled back, and then if we would have got in on the second push, we would have got slipped pretty heavily. But no
Really
slippage.
Account for those spreads, chat. Set it up like 2 pips higher than
Look
what
at
the wick is.
Look at that. That's when we got activated. Nice, rolled right into position really nicely there. And yeah, we rolled back into drawdown. I think I've seen like 6 pips in drawdown.
Yeah.
And then we just went up.
Price action, baby.
Yeah, man. It's all about price action.
And the eyes indicated.
And then we just move stops, right, to the flip, because if that candle was flipping, you already know it was gonna go down. So stops were below the flip. I think we still had like 20 pip stops. So it wasn't bad at all. Yeah, that was a good one. Look at that. That was money, dude.
Yo, I'm so happy I could be like, yo, I just passed this right before coming here to see you.
Yes, sir. Love it, bro. That thing was a juicer, man. Juice boxes, baby. Yeah, if you guys took it, tag me on IG.
It's the best channel in the whole world.
I feel like I passed my funded challenge too, man.
Yeah,
That's
beautiful.
well deserved, my man.
Thank you, brother.
Oh, I got added on the first push, and then stop loss got hit, and then added it back later. Nice, nice. Way to give the trade a second chance. 45 pips locked in, beautiful. Never confused, as I only follow Nick. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's and it's Nick and the guys too. Like, it's not even just me. These guys are learning, growing too. Like, these guys know their stuff, and we're just happy we could provide this for traders. We really are. I'm really super grateful, man. Never confused. The news gave it that push. Did you know there was news at 8:30? I didn't know there was news. I knew there was CAD news at 8:30.
Yeah, so that bad sharp gold up some.
Yeah, I had a feeling.
Are up too. Spread.
I had a feeling that could definitely impact the dollar. I didn't know it was gonna do that though.
I didn't either. I didn't get that. I closed it actually like 10 seconds right before it went, just because the 30-minute was closing below.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
it just
yeah.
went, you know.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
perfectly fine missing that though.
Yeah, yeah. If you guys missed that, don't even worry about it. The 30 did close below, and I was just talking. You know, I may or may not have deleted that, but
Oh yeah. It just
Yeah,
happened so
though.
fast.
I mean, it's price action regardless. Look at the 1 hour.
yeah, exactly. What did I say about the main thing was about us breaking these highs? If we were breaking these highs, chances are we were not going to come down and come break this low again. So like it could come right up to the highs and then break the lows, yes. But if we're breaking the highs, then there was a very high chance based off the 1 hour time frame that we would continue up here. And then what was our daily target? Our daily target was yeah, right in the zone here. So I mean, I think we will probably continue up, but we'll see. But yeah, just a beauty. Another great trade. And now we're flipping bearish. Crazy. Thank you, Gold. In and out.
Thanks, YouTube guy.
Yeah. now everyone leaves the stream. Hey, if you guys aren't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel for more trades just like this. We're rolling here, man. I think I got 32 pips. Let me just double check here.
We got motion.
The funded trader dashboard can't even load. It can't even keep up with me.
You got it quaking, bro.
This thing's about to crash. It's quaking.
Got it quick. Yeah, this was all of May as well. So for those of you who are new, this is all the trades we've taken on May. This is April. So we've been able to take some really, really good positions. And if you sub to the channel, you'll see more positions just like this on a daily, weekly basis here. And man, don't miss the Time to Eat Elite program when it comes up. Don't miss it. Don't miss it.
Look it up a scalp.
Yeah,
If
look
you
up
want to
the
be a
scalp.
serious trader, if you want to do these types of if you want to make these kind of moves on a weekly basis, then you should tap into the Elite program. Stop playing.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got a busy day with the Elite members here today. I got 5 coaching calls today. I'm a busy man here today.
That's a Friday trade right there.
Yeah, it is.
How about that for a good Friday, huh? Yeah. Got slept on my entry, managed to magically lost 1%. Okay, managed it, and then it re-entered, made 4.2%. There you go. Beautiful. Yeah, I made 3.2% on that, man. That was a beauty.
Beautiful.
How many pips did you get? I got 32 pips on that. I also nearly threw these profits away with, ooh. I'm guilty of 2 streams. Yeah. It's only gonna hurt. Remember, gang, it's never gonna hurt me, or, you know, it's only gonna hurt you. Now we've broken the 1 hour low. Look at that. Would you look at that? It's only gonna hurt you. You know, I don't care whose stream you go on. If it's not mine, trust me, there's no hard feelings. I want you guys to go where you can learn the best. Wherever that is, no matter what speaker that is or host that is, whichever one's gonna help you become the best trader you can be, I really want you to stick with that stream. If it's not our stream, I encourage you to leave our stream and go stick with those guys or whoever is gonna, you know, make more sense and help you learn how to trade better. I'm totally fine with you guys going somewhere that maybe you feel like you can be helped better. But if this is your stream, man, subscribe to the channel and just show up every day. If you want to win, just show up every day. Show up every day and learn.
Join a family.
And there's a family here, man. It really is. I was guilty of the streams, had to stop.
Yeah, you can't become a professional if you don't show up every day and put in the work, right? Things don't come easy, you know? So you gotta put the work in.
Hey.
Gather that experience.
B. Smith is on to phase 2. Congratulations, B. Smith. W.
Yeah, let's go.
Glad I held it after early activation. Yes, remember, guys, I told you. I was trying to make you guys feel comfortable because you were still ahead of the trade. Although if your stops were below the 1 hour candle, you would have never gotten stopped out. So you were still ahead in this trade. Unfortunately, if your stops were below like the 30 minute, you may have gotten wiped, but yeah. Trade is done and over, yep. 900 away from passing phase 1, yep, just started it yesterday. Come on, gang, like, who's doing this? Closed at 8% phase 1, but went, oh, 7,600. All right, you're almost there. I think you deleted. That was a juicer, Augie, yeah. It was a beauty. Thanks, Nick. Just made 4% like that. Boom. I never have full risk exposure during the release of high impact news. If your stops has never been incredibly disrespected due to news slippage, it really is something you need to experience and know. Yeah. Yep, I've had that happen. Got 20 bucks. Thank you, bro. Oh, yeah. Bro, I was watching 2 to 3 streams a month ago, but since I joined this channel, I'm focused just on this stream every day. Nice. Yeah, that's what I did. I was focused on 2 streams when I first started learning the strategy. Well, really, it was 1 stream, which was with Raja, who really gave me the foundation of everything I know. And then like he got busy, he did some moving around, and you know, then I discovered Don, and I just absolutely loved Don, man. Like, just admired him in such a way that it makes me proud when some of you guys are talking to me about, I love your patience, I love your discipline. There he is. There he is. Flex on him, Joe.
Right, say it.
Dubs. You know, I admired all that. So I'm pretty proud of the work that I've been able to put in when I hear some stuff like that you guys say, because, you know, one thing about Don, I admired him so much for his patience and his discipline. And, you know, to have that now is great. But I was focused on 2 streams for like a couple of weeks, and I'm like, or like a week, and I'm like, I can't do this. And Don was way more consistent. Raja was kind of moving around a little bit, moving, you know, different countries and stuff. And that's why I was like, I'm just locking in on 1 stream. And yeah, 2 years later, here we are. Now we're locked in on our own stream. Yeah. Can we still enter? Cape Town in the building. Yeah, man. W's chat. Hey, if you took the trade, like the stream. If you recorded the trade and you're posting it on Instagram, tag me on IG. And yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's done. Uncle Scalp, baby.
We really doing this.
Praise God.
Praise God.
And just like that, we have flipped bearish on the 30-minute, and now we are breaking the lows.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Yes, sir. GJ as well.
Thanks, Donnell.
Good days
Thank you,
happen with
Donnell.
wild playing.
Amen.
And when you
We
don't
like
watch
to
the
troll.
range.
We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
But Nick, I thought you deleted the buy stop. I promise, man. I wasn't on anyone else's stream.
Stop the cap.
Stop the cap. All right, so yeah, 15 gold, GJ, yeah, it's probably. Yeah, so now we just wait here. 4-hour candles coming to a close here. Look at that rejection. Wow. You may have a 4-hour celery to continue down as well here, because if we're rejecting, if we're just rejecting, this 4-hour low breaks, it should come down. But we need a closure on the 30-minute time frame in order for us to do that. And we no longer need any range 2 or anything. Any closure below here is pretty good to continue down.
Hey chat, quick reminder, a burning desire backed by faith knows no such word as impossible. If you got a dream, go for it. If you got opportunity in front of you, go for it. Don't lose faith in yourself. Keep believing in yourself. Quit. If you don't give up, eventually you're gonna get what's yours.
Yes. Amen, brother.
Give it time, things will come. Just give it time.
Amen, brother. Amen. You got a dream, you got to go after it, gang. You got to go after it with everything you got. You cannot let anyone tell you anything. You have to have that burning desire. That's going to be more important than any doubter, any doubter who says anything to you. You should laugh in their face and say, that's a compliment coming from you. That's a compliment.
You gotta take all that background noise as fuel. Fuel yourself. You gotta push it. You gotta use that to push yourself.
Did you try magic mushrooms? No, I didn't. Could there be some kind of sell play? Yeah, if you close below on the 30-minute and you break these 4-hour lows, I may be looking to take sells here. But man, if that don't happen, I do not care. I am chilling, man. I am chilling. This may actually be one of my best weeks ever. Yeah, I think so.
That was the best trade. I think that was the funnest trade we took on stream.
Yeah, that was fun. That was almost funner than the one where Sam fell back in his chair.
Yeah.
Dude's bare feet were up in the camera like this.
Got Sam the clown.
Yeah, man, I'm up like almost 7% this week, man. What a week.
That payout gonna be fat.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, gang, I'm shooting for like a 20, 30, even like 40K payout this month. And then I'm gonna go on an interview with my Forex funds, and I'm gonna put the whole map on with our stream. Yeah, my buddy got interviewed by my Forex funds. I believe that he got like 60,000 views on it. So I want to get a banger here. I want to get like at least a 25, 30K payout and get on an interview with them and put our stream on the map. But gang, I promise you, don't ever give up, man. Don't ever give up. Like John was saying, I am living proof. I was doubted. I am the underdog. I promise you guys. I am the underdog. I failed for years and years and years, but I continue to put my hand on it, and I continue to believe in Deuteronomy, right? And the promises that God has over my life, and that no matter what, if you don't grow weary in well-doing, in due season you'll reap the rewards. that anything you put your hand to will be blessed. All your lands will be blessed. The Lord will send water on the dry lands when it needs it. It'll send the harvest. And I got news for you, gang. The floodgates have opened.
Yes.
That's a word from the Lord today. The floodgates have opened on not only this stream, but everyone involved in it. So oh wow, just passed phase 1. Wow, we have so many people passing their challenges this week.
Yeah. 85% win rate.
Holy, I'm so proud of you guys. What a blessing. I'm absolutely destroyed. Nah, man. There's always another trade coming, Henry. Deleted the stop after the negative stop in London. Don't worry about it, man. There's always another trade coming. I promise you, it could help many traders in the industry. Yeah, no, I bet it can. Try, gang, magic mushrooms at your own risk. Hey, Nick, just asking for learning. Did the gold trade was up to the mark as per your rules? Absolutely. Yes, this was a 1 hour breakout. 1 hour breakout. We discussed this in the morning that we'd be waiting for a closure above this level, and that we would be breaking the daily high at that point. And yeah, that was it. Yep. If you guys passed your funding challenges, go ahead and put it in the prop firm section here. Oh yeah, gang TP smashed. Yeah, no one had, I don't think anyone needed to move stops. Like, it was just straight to the TP. Yeah, so any of you guys who passed your prop firm challenges, go ahead and put it in here. And yeah, there it is. Oh, let's go. Almost there, bro. Almost there. 76% win rate.
I remember feeling like this was so out of reach.
Yup.
And I remember feeling like it was like never gonna happen.
Yeah, man. And what did I tell you over and over again? It's gonna happen. Just stick with the playbook. Stick with the playbook. Stay steady. You know, keep. Every trade is a probability, and our probabilities are 85 plus. So keep trading, keep trading, keep trading. Let the probabilities fall where they may. And boom, now you see the fruit of that.
Crazy.
Oh, love and respect from India. Oh, yes. Thank you so much. Yeah, thanks for coming by. Thanks for stopping by. Hey, guys, subscribe to the channel and come by every day with us. We want to see more people succeeding. We want to see more people passing their funding challenges. We want to see more lives being changed. This is why you don't look at results. You don't look at time, right? Because you could have gotten 4 or 5% on this trade right here. You could have had 1 day left in your challenge, and boom, passed it right there. So this is why we never look at those type of things. We just show up every day to the charts and do what we're supposed to do. Uncle Scott, where'd you post that?
It's all over. I posted a story and I posted the post.
Oh yeah, we'll review this trade in a second. Oh, I thought you posted it on IG. There it is. Look at that.
I did post it on IG.
I mean, I'm sorry, Discord.
Oh, I posted on Discord too.
And yo, quick question for you, bro. What are your spreads like right now?
Mine?
Yeah, on gold.
Let me check.
Beautiful, Laron. Great job, man. You're also going to get a percentage back on that number too. That 10-5 there. Love it. Let's go. Another one.
My spreads are almost 2 pips.
Gotcha. Yeah, mine is 1 pip. It's fluctuating though, from 1 to 1.5 to 2. So it seems like the brokers have similar spreads. And I just wanted to know because I just want to know what the funded trader spreads are looking like right now.
It's like,
Beautiful.
it was like 1.7.
Yeah, that's fine. That's probably right around the same as mine.
Should I put this in daily profits or traders chat room?
You could put it in anything, but if put your email in the prop firm one. Look at this, beautiful.
My email?
Like not your email, like you know that thing you posted in phase 1? It was like congrats on phase 1.
Oh, yeah. I still didn't get it yet.
Wait, so you passed phase 1 on Friday, and then
I passed phase 2 today. Yeah.
Wow, so 1 week you passed. Beautiful.
No, I passed
Monday.
No, I passed phase 1 on Monday.
Monday, yeah, that's right.
And I just passed phase 2 on Friday. Yeah.
Awesome, dude. Great job, Anthony Fernandez. Wanthony. Hey, Wanthony, you liking these trades or what, huh? Anthony's only sticking with the trades on stream. All I see is a bunch of winners. Oh, nice. Almost there. Beautiful. I went negative 4% last week, up 3% this week. Perfect, man. Wow. Just beautiful. Sheesh. Uncle Scalp's gonna be having 16K days here real soon.
Dead ass.
Let's go, bro.
Damn.
Oh wait, those were the 2 trades you took on the challenge.
Yeah, that was the only 2 in phase 2.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Passed his phase 2 in 2 trades. 2 trades. Simple, gang. That shows you right
beautiful.
there. Right? That shows you right there. You don't need a bunch of trades. You're over trading. You're over trading.
Yeah, it's literally perfect example of that.
Yeah. Thank you for being a good example, Uncle Scout, and taking the mentorship, bro.
Quality over quantity.
Look at that. Boom. Yeah, my TP got slipped. Don't you love it when your TP gets slipped? Alright, hey, we almost got 3.6k subs. Can you please review my trade? Yes, AJ, let's take a look at that, actually. Let's take a look. Where was that at? That was at... charts for stream. All right, let's take a look here at AJ's trade. Okay, I'll do it here. So, previous daily close bullish, yes. Candle close above range, yes. Buy stop activated at NY open, yes. Okay, you got activated in the beginning. All right. Where's 4? Stop loss hit with 23 pips. 23 pip loss. Okay. I placed the buy stop with including spread now. 2 pips in the excess. Okay, broker, but my buy stop got activated. Maybe the reason for the loss is I didn't wait for the liquidity. No, I think he just got spread it in. Learn the lesson, give some time to form liquidity wick. I don't even think it's that. I just think spread got you in, man. Because we had the buy stops too. You know, I didn't wait for a liquidity grab. You know, I had buy stops there, so I don't think that was the issue. I just think some of you guys should not be disappointed at all. You know, unfortunately, I know how it is. It sucks to get spread into a trade, but you guys were right? In the long term, this trade won't mean anything. So don't get too down on yourself. Learn from it, and now you know next time. Let me just account for spreads. And that's it. Other than that, you guys did an amazing job today. Don't feel like you missed out. Don't feel like you know, everyone else got it and you didn't. Trust me, there's no time to ponder on that stuff. Just stay positive and understand that you took a beautiful trade today. Unfortunately, you weren't aware of the spreads and it tapped you in and you took a L, but that L doesn't mean loss. That L means lesson. So take the lesson and just move on. Thinking emotionally about this 23 pips. I forgot to give the trade a second chance. You see, he was thinking emotionally about the 23 pip loss and forgot to give the trade a second chance and missed the real move on gold. So don't get emotional, gang. One trade is one trade. But AJ, great job, man. Don't hold your head up high today, because that was an amazing position to take. It was just a spread, nothing else. Nothing else I would have done different there. I think you did a good job. It's just now you know about spreads. So W lesson. Road to 1 million subs, yeah. Excuse me. Are you serious about the payout? Yes, I'm as serious as a heart attack about that. Have you tried Rocket 21? No. Just passed phase 1 with that trade. Hey, let's go. Upgraded to phase 2. Boom. Great job, Pip Snatcher. You snatched those pips today for sure. So yeah, wow, 4-hour close bullish, create a top wick. You need a 30-minute close below though. 30-minute or 1 hour. You don't want to, this is a trade that you don't want to base off of a 4-hour celery because you could easily break that low and then come back in. You need a 30-minute closure below the range. That's what you need. I love this stream, man. Hey, we love you. Do we sell or not? Not. So thankful to God for all y'all. Hey, thankful for you too. Lost more than 5K, was feeling depressed, but I found your channel and now I feel hopeful for the future. Yeah, you should. You should, man. Blessings on blessings. Was that wick news? Yeah, supposedly that was residue off of the news on the CAD, the Canadian dollar here. I'll take it. Lower numbers. See, some days you just hit a nice home run, you know? Every day you chip away, and some days you don't even get to close partials, it just smacks your TP. But you gotta let these things come naturally. You know, you gotta let them come naturally. You can't try and force anything. I'm up 6%, nice. Watching you and Don at the same time. You guys had very similar trades on that previous trade. Yeah, I heard, yep. Did you have a buy stop or a market execution? I had a buy stop. So we had the buy stop set right above these highs here. Yeah, I usually don't market execute anymore. It's been a while since I've market executed a position. But yeah. Keep up the great work. Hey, XAU Goblins in the building. The Goblins here. It was the news that made that wick? I think so, yep.
It's only 9 o'clock.
Yeah, it's already 9 a.m. It feels like it's been a whole session. Hey, chat, I gotta do some traveling here next week. No, not next week. So let me ask you guys. I think I might be able to get it all done after the stream Friday and get back before the stream on Monday. But if I can't for flight purposes, would you guys rather miss a Friday or a Monday of stream? I'm gonna try and make sure I can get everything done. I gotta fly and do things, and I'm gonna try and get everything done in that 3-day window. But if I can't because of flights, what would you guys rather miss, a Monday or a Friday?
Friday.
Friday's a big gas.
Yo, Fridays have been gas.
I'm pretty sure we've caught big moves
Yeah.
in the past month on Friday. If I'm wrong, correct me if I'm wrong. But
Yeah, we have. We've caught a lot of big
I'm
moves
pretty sure
on Fridays.
every Friday has been a sick day.
Yeah, Friday.
Friday.
Yeah.
Last Friday we caught a fire move. I'm pretty sure the Friday before that we did too.
Yeah, that's true.
Dang. Chat's kind of split right now.
Here, let's make a poll.
Yeah.
How do we do a
Leave
poll
it
here?
poll. But they're saying, yo, let Sam run the stream.
Oh, yeah, we can have Sam run the stream.
And me boy,
Yo.
Mr. Big Pips. Come on, buddy.
That's
I
true.
mean, I could.
Mr. Big Pit.
I have the whole thing up still. Like when I open up OBS and it says @NickStew and everything. Yo, you guys would see that overlay.
Yeah.
Maybe
Yeah,
a little Johnny Boy and Sam duo.
Yeah, let me make a poll here for you guys. Poll. Where's the poll?
I'd be down.
Start a poll. So Monday or Friday? Which one would you guys rather sit out? And then maybe we can get Sam to be generous enough and nice enough to cover.
That'd be sick. I'd be honored.
So the poll is up
We
there,
can't-
so let me know.
We can't ask the chat. They're watching 3 streams today.
Monday, please.
Nah, I'm just playing.
We'll let the poll make the decision for us, and I'll try and book flights around that.
Wait, is this picking a day to miss?
Yes, this is the day you guys want to miss, not the day you want me to be there. What day do you want to miss? Or which day do you want Sam to run the stream? Put it like that. A Friday or a Monday? Yeah, that's a good idea, Bob the Third.
Are you going out of state?
Yeah.
To NY?
Yeah, I gotta fly to New York. I gotta meet Green for lunch.
Hey. Green.
Getting some burger love, baby.
What are we voting on? The day that you want to miss.
So I need to take one day off for the stream. I may not need to take the day off, but if I do, what stream would you rather have me take off? Monday
Green
or Friday?
Looks like Monday.
Friday. Oh wait, yeah, it's green. That's gonna be either Friday the 29th, which is like one of the last trading day of the month, pretty much, or the second to last, or Monday the 3rd of July. So that's basically it's the last week of July, last weekend of July. I'm sorry, last weekend of June. If Sam's streaming, I don't really think it matters. Yeah, that's true. NYC link up. I got a lot to do in a short period of time. But I'll keep you guys posted on that. Let me see if I could arrange something.
Dang, look at all these people in New York.
Oh yeah, if there's a lot of people in New York, I'm down to meet up.
That's dope.
That'd be crazy. First meeting.
Yeah.
Well, I'll be there.
Oh yeah, Uncle Scalp will be there. Uncle Scalp will be there. John will be there. My brother Joe will be there.
Yeah.
Green will be there. Yeah, I'm sure Green will be there.
That'll be like the Avengers.
How far is that?
How far is
Wait,
it from?
where is it? Or like, give me a relative location.
Put in like Palisades Mall.
Dang. A little drive from Penn's?
Yeah, put in the Palisades Mall. That's where I met up with Uncle Scalp at the Pally.
Yo, that's only 5 hours from me.
Hey, let's see if Sam, anyone from PA, jump in Sam's car, ride down. I'm down to do a meetup.
Let's do it.
When would that be?
Oh, I'm 20 minutes from the Palisades Mall. Oh, nice. Yeah, I grew up right around there in Rockland County.
Yeah, that's sick. Yeah, and he's in the stream.
Hey, 3.6 K subs here. W. I just want to let you guys know I appreciate it all. Like, I want to show you guys the studio of YouTube and see what we're cooking. What we're cooking with. So look at this. In the last 28 days, 2,300 new subscribers, 2,300 new people coming onto the stream. Just amazing, man. It's so good to be able to have an impact. We have 5,000 views with less than 3,500 subscribers. So we're really making a statement here on YouTube. Got 3,000 subs. We got 75,000. This is 10 days ago. 75,000 hours of views. We got over 30,000 plus hours of watch time. So we're cooking, man. We're cooking. Over 77,000 views. Almost 30. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, so I appreciate you guys, man. This is a team. You know, this is a family, a team effort, and it doesn't go unnoticed, like unrecognized, man. You guys, I'm so happy that, you know, we're really impacting lives here. I mean, we got 5,000 views on our, you know, close to 5,000 almost for the last week here. So, and look at this. I'll scroll down just a little bit, gang. Look at this, 419 views. Not that long ago, 1 month ago. So this is what you call God's blessing, right? This is, sometimes God just hits the fast forward button and you go from 420 views to 5,000 views in a month. So we're doing well. We're doing really well. And that's, you know, shout out to all you guys pulling up every day and, you know, deciding to be here, deciding to learn, deciding to change your life, man. Your life is going to change on this stream. I promise you that. And like I was saying yesterday, man, you know, what other stream do you hear people talking about, hey man, thanks bro, you know, I'm reading more, I'm giving my wife compliments more. Man, the other day I had someone, man, someone said me and my wife haven't held hands in 3 years, bro. The other day she grabbed my hand and she said she's proud of me, bro. Like, come on, man.
That's so big, bro. Like, that's awesome. That's so awesome.
I wish I got that.
Don't
Dude,
call me
yeah.
soft, bro. In a way that could make me cry, bro. Seriously.
Dude, across yesterday and today too, you know, I've had a couple of the guys telling me the same thing. Even you yesterday, right on the stream. You have to look at it. I was like this. When you said that you had to say something, I was like, what?
Yeah,
Awesome,
man. Pretty awesome. Pretty
We're
awesome.
doing amazing things here. Through the grace of God.
Yep. Remember, God's given us everything. Even these eyes that you are viewing with, God gave them to you. So when you know that God's given you everything, you stay pretty humble.
And it can all be taken away like this.
Yep. Shoot, I'll meet up. I'm in Tampa. Oh, nice. Yeah, we'll probably do a Tampa meetup too. But I'm definitely down to do.
That.
I'm definitely down to do that New York meetup. Yeah, Tandy will be at the Tampa meetup, and John.
Oh yeah.
John will be here too.
We can get a workout in.
Yes, sir. Let's do that. Free meetup? Yes, absolutely. Free meetup.
Unique. Oh, that's facts.
How old are you? 33. This is why you need to be on that stream. Meet in Tampa, bro. Yeah, we'll set something up in Tampa as well. Will you take Friday or Monday? I don't know. I let the markets, the poll do the work for me. So what are we at right now? How come I can't see it? 62% want Monday. 38% want Friday. So looking like it's probably going to be Monday. That's if I even need the day off. I may not need it off, but we'll see. Do the right thing and the right things will happen to you. Yep. Definitely, Alex. Let's go Panthers. We also love and appreciate you, Nick. Hey, thank you. Yeah, man. So, yeah. Not much to do after that on this lovely Friday. I mean, you may start to range in this, may just range for the rest of the day. I think that we caught the move, I believe.
Yeah.
5-minute juicer. Look it looks like a juice box too, like this the straw, you know?
That's a straw coming up out of it, yep. Look at all that juice it's got in it too. You need that big old straw. Yeah, that was a W trade.
Yep. Do 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 do.
You look younger than 33. I do. When I met Nick, I thought he was like 24. Not even lying. Full of wisdom.
One thing that is works to my advantage, gang, is that I spent 8 years with some of the wisest people on this earth. Seriously, I spent 8 years with just some of the most incredible mentorship and mentors that I could ever ask for. Those moments, you know, changed my life forever. Gave me wisdom, gave me knowledge, and I'm so grateful for it. Pointed me in the right direction. You ever heard that song by Maverick City? Pick me up, turn me around, place my feet on solid ground. You know, they play it. That was the solid ground for me. God picked me up from where I was at. He turned me around into a better way, and he placed my feet on solid ground. And now I'm forever free. So I'm so grateful.
Hallelujah.
Yeah.
Yeah, whenever you said Maverick, I instantly started thinking of the top G. What's he doing, sleeping?
Who?
Maverick.
Yeah, Maverick's still sleeping. And now I get to pour all that into my children, and I get to pour it into you guys every day. It's a blessing, man. Same thing I'm telling you guys, or the same thing I'll be telling my kids. You know, and what a blessing, man. The next generation, all I ask is that you pay it forward. That you guys continue to take what you learn here, apply it into your life, and then pass it on. You know, help somebody else that maybe I can't reach.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's such a great feeling you get whenever you do it too. Like, nothing compares. You know, being able to help change someone's life, you know, and promote something that's overall just going to make them live healthier and happier. Man, like, there's not much that beats that at all.
Nah.
Just seeing other people win and, you know, genuinely being grateful for it. Like,
Yeah, man.
I think it's amazing what happens whenever, you know, people come together and really actually work together. Especially like, you know, a lot of the times you see stuff in the media, it's just trying to divide us. But look at what we're doing here. So many people, you know, Nick always says it. So many people, they have come to Nick, and, you know, I've even had people come to me and that, you know, saying their trading has gotten so much better. They're so much more disciplined with their life. You know, they're breaking out of some of these terrible vices that they have that they know up here that it's hurting them, but in the flesh they can't break it. But through like, you know, just listening to some of the things that we say, it makes it that much easier. And then they have that support too, because they can come here and talk about it.
Yep.
Man, like,
just
wonderful.
Beautiful. Yeah, just beautiful. And yeah, your flesh is always going to give you a problem. And you have to understand that if you're a believer and you believe in Christ, then, you know, the old you died. It's at the foot of the cross, right? All your issues should be at the foot of the cross. There's a new you now. Bible says, you know, by the renewing of your mind, right? It's a new you now. You're not the same wineskin that you once were before. And the one constant battle is denying the flesh, right? Picking up your cross and denying the flesh every day. And if you can deny that and move from that, you'll start to, number one, feel shameful in your sin, where before you didn't feel shameful at all during that sin, and now you will start to, and that's where repentance starts to happen and starts to work in, and then you be transformed by the renewing of your mind. And it's a beautiful thing, but it's always a consistent denial of the flesh. The flesh is weak. The flesh wants you to make the weak decisions, the more comfortable decisions, right? Got to get uncomfortable. You got to be comfortable with getting uncomfortable, and that's how you grow in life, right? Think of the caterpillar into the butterfly. You know, takes time, takes uncomfortability, a little bit of hurt, right? A little bit of breaking out of a box, but you'll be so glad you did in the future. So glad you did. Someone blocked Menti. Oh, Nick, the Bible study? Yeah, that's going to be on Monday night. Monday night this week. What's the deal with the Zoom channel? Is it for the elite program? Yes. Yep. How many trades you took the whole June? I think 6. I think that's number 6 for us, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 6. 6 trades.
All W's.
Yeah, we took that L in May to end the month, and I was actually pretty happy. We took a nice little 14. We paid rent with 14 pips. That's perfect. And what did I tell you guys? Now we can go on a run. So let's see if we can stack up W's. I expect all W's here in June. Now, you know what I expect? If there's 10 trades, I expect 9 W's. Because that's what the probability says we have.
Yep. But think about that though, psychologically. You know, we only wait for the best setups. It's almost 10 days into June, about a week and a half worth of trading dates. No losses though. Think about, you know, how that might help you psychologically if you follow a high win rate plan and just stick to a plan.
Yep.
You know, you just come to your charts, come to your computer, desk, whatever, patiently wait for a setup, execute, and that's it.
That's it.
Really it.
That's it.
Doing it for a while, you know, it's just like second nature, really.
Why are you making me cry, Gino? To God be the glory. Yep. Nick, I ordered the book Forex Mindset. Any other recommendations in general? No, just tap into the Forex Mindset, get a good read on it, take your time with it, and really listen to what the guys talk about. And you know, and I hope that, you know, you say, hey, Nick sounds a lot like this trader. Yeah. What do you think about US30? Let's take a look. So you got the NYSE open here, by the way. Yeah, if you break this high, you should continue up here. If we break the lows, then just wait for a closure below. But man, I think I'm done here for the day. Done for the week. Yeah, I'm up. I'm up over 8% this month. It looks like 7% this week. So I'm chilling. US30. US30.
Try.
Okay. Okay. Oh. Buys above here. Yeah, I don't know if some of you guys took these buys. I think this might have happened without a bottom wick though, right? Oh yeah, just wait for the 1 hour closure here. Yeah, I wouldn't touch anything right now. Just wait for the 1 hour close, and if we close above, then yeah, we're good to take positions here on US30. Gotta wait for that closure above though. Women don't want a broke man. Start bringing in that bread. She'll hold your hand. Yeah, there you go. When you are legit and you have Almighty by your side, good things will come to you automatically. Yes, they will. I'm in Florida too. Oh, we got some Florida. When's the West Coast meetup? Yeah, that'll happen soon. That'll happen soon. That I want to, before I do any traveling, I promised you guys that I was going to chill the rest of the year, not do any traveling. And then next year, you know, what I'm going to probably do is I'm going to buy a whole new travel setup. And that way I could still stream while I'm traveling. Yeah, that sounds good. God bless you, Nick. A R41L, God bless you. When are you coming to Australia? Ooh, I'd love to. How old were you when you started trading? I was 29. Do you think there will be a wick fill? Yeah, if we break the high, I think there should be a wick fill, but it looks like we're gonna break the lows here. Yeah, nah, no wick fill. Yeah, wait for a close below here. Australia, I've always wanted to go to Australia. Ever since my second grade kangaroo presentation that I did in class. Juicer, yeah, Anthony Fernandez. Anthony, any mentors? Oh, yeah. I got a lot of mentors, gang. I got a handful of mentors. 2 mentors in trading, 2 mentors in pretty much everything else in life. So I got about 4 mentors who I like to study and pick their brain, and yeah. Hey, Carnivore, yes, Carnivore. Yeah, I went out to eat the other day, man. I don't know. They must have been cooking with seed oils or something. I don't know. You gotta tell them, cook your steak in butter, I guess, if they have it at the restaurants now. Sir, what situations you not look for a pullback wick? Like today's scenario in gold, you didn't wait for it. Yeah. So that's because we were at the NY Open. So I wanted to set the buy stops just in case, because at NY Open you may start pushing up, and if it was just a simple breakout, I would have waited. But there was a 30-minute celery, and sometimes the celery play won't give you a bottom wick. So usually when the candle opens on a celery play is when I'll set my buy stops, and that's what we did in this situation. Yeah, because if it breaks the high, it's most likely gonna pop. So I'm glad we got that bottom wick, and yeah, all you guys started taking sells and just waited patiently for the buys. Just waited patiently for what we planned. Come to the Gold Coast, the best part of Australia. Ooh. Come to Melbourne. I'll show you the sick animals. Oh, no, just roaming around. It's crazy you guys have mentors, and now you guys are the mentors. Yeah, you Don Raja. Yeah, my name's not Nick Stewart anymore. It's Don Raja. Yeah. What's meant by GJ? Can anyone clarify? Oh, GBPJPY, yeah. Yeah, GJ, 30-minute closed above. Yeah, so it should be pretty good on these buys. 30-minute closed above. These candles have not closed above yet, so yep, if you're not in on the 30 just yet, just wait for the 1 hour candle, because the 1 hour is wicked a lot of times as well. So I think that's going to be a little bit better confirmation at this point. And I also don't know what the heck is to the left-hand side here, so yeah, I'm not taking GJ at all here today. Oh, were the mentors from Amway? Yeah, they were. They're a mentorship program called URA. Yeah, URA. They were like a team in Amway, and those guys are just, they changed my life. They still mentor me to this day. I still keep in touch with them, and they're just wise, very, very wise men. Very wise. Some of you guys been in Amway, you guys know the best of the best mentorship in the country, in the world. Great men, yeah they were, or yeah they are. What is this trading technique called? I don't know. I don't think we really have a name for it. Patience.
Price action. Patience.
Price action and patience.
The PPP loan. Price action, patience, and pips.
Facts. Give me 1 sec, guys. I'll be right back.
Isn't that what they put out during the pandemic? The PPP, what was it? Yeah, PPP loan. The Paycheck Protection Program. But we call it price action, patience, and pips. Can we sell now on gold? No. To sell on gold, you would need a range too. So you would need either... Wait, can I annotate your screen? I might be able to show you. Hold on. Let me figure out how to do it. Oh man, hold on a second. I've never done this shot. Box. Yo, how do you change the color? Hold on. So like to sell on gold, you would need for this candle that's right here, the close below, draw. Right here, this candle has to close below. And then the next one, you would still have to wait, right? Because the daily bias is bullish. You would need it to make a body, and then the top wick, and then the next candle, you'd wait for it to it should keep driving like that, right? So you would enter right here. But that's how you would sell on gold if you were following the plan, right? Or once I clear, how do you? I've never done this. Oh, there's an eraser. Nice. Yeah, I'm learning how to use the zoom tools live. Or so like this candle's pushing down. You need it to come back, form some sort of. I need a different color. I'm so terrible at drawing the zoom stuff. Yeah, so you would need this candle to close below, and then you would need some sort of a pullback and wait for it to create some sort of a resistance, like boom, like it comes back here, comes back up in the range, and then the next candle or something
Maverick.
I need to make it red. Keep forgetting to change the color.
Maverick's here? Yep.
And then when it comes back, it closes below. And you need that wick too.
There you go. Range 2.
Yeah. So who said that? Asking for gold cells.
Oh, look at this. Gold dripping. Gold's a bleeder, Maverick. Waverick, yeah. Maverick's in the house, yep.
He's up.
Wale is here too. Right, Lele?
Lele.
Way.
Lele. Way. Lele.
What blue light glasses do I use? It's called. They're called Gunner. Gunner. This is Maverick's little sleep suit. Right, buddy?
Hey.
Gold bleeder. Yeah, you still need a candle to close though.
Yep. It did a celery on the 30-minute, but inside the range.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean it is considered a 1 hour onion, but there's a support right here. So that's tough to take. That I would have never taken that.
Yeah.
Same thing off the 30, I wouldn't have taken that celery because you got, but it is 9:30, so I mean I guess you could say you have volume coming in, but probably wouldn't have taken that trade.
The stream is the Paycheck Protection Program. Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
funny.
that's what I'm saying. That's what the PPP is. PPP for Paycheck Protection Program, price
Yeah.
action pips, and patience.
Yeah.
Triple P. I have no idea.
The signals, the links are all in the description on YouTube, on the YouTube stream. Just drop down, you see where it says show more? And you can find all the links and everything there.
What's the US30 going crazy? Let's look. Oh, wow.
Gold going crazy. I don't need to take a trade, I want to take a trade. Let's look at US30, Maverick. Oh, look at that. Yup, you see? Closure above, pop. So W on US30 analysis once again, ladies and gentlemen. WWW. Because we would have been in this. So once we start trading US30, we'll be in something like this. As for now, we're just gonna watch. We're just gonna watch and enjoy. But I gave you guys the analysis, so if you guys took it, congratulations. Too late for the sell on gold? Yeah, I would say so. No, there's no gold sell stop. Nothing, nothing. Look it right back to where we entered before. So if you guys were holding yesterday's trade, you would have probably got tapped at break even then. now we finally would have hit stop loss from yesterday. And look what happened. We had our take profit up here yesterday, right? We tapped into it, we wicked into it, and then look, we just ranged the rest of the day. And then ranged all throughout London, Asia and London, and then New York came and popped us up and now pushing us down.
Yep, that's the move.
Yeah, that was the move right here. Yesterday's move, and then look, just choppiness for the rest of the session. Whoa, US30 and gold. Yeah, it's gonna be a lovely year end. Yep. Yeah, we'll probably start implementing US30 pretty soon. I mean, we got a good read on it, so
Just wait on it.
just wait on it. But that officially puts our record at 58 wins and 11 losses and 4 break-evens on the year. Yeah, 58
Dang.
wins. 6-0 this month, and in June looking like 8% already. So good month. Beautiful.
Live up to our word, chat. We told you we were coming for June.
Yeah, let's put that in the stat calculator here. Using for that. Oh yeah. So what was it? It was 58 wins, 11 losses. .86% win rate for the year. We got to get those numbers up. Yeah, 69 trades this year. But yeah, beautiful. Hey, what you doing? Yeah, 84% win rate on the year. Pretty good. That's about what I've averaged the last year or two. Hey, what you doing? Let me see. Yeah, you may get a new sell here on the 30-minute time frame on gold. See if this candle could pull back, and then you got yourself a wick fill. 1 hour wick fill as well, finally closing below. God did. Did you take US30? I did not. No, I didn't take US30. Nope. Oh, you're asking that to somebody else. Good stats, thank you, Anthony. And you called a win on US30, yeah, that's true. Bruce Buffer on us 30, it's almost time. It's a good take short in gold, yeah. Yeah, but wait for an hour close to go short on gold. Happy with today's profits, I'm done, same here. GJ's flying. GJ's flying. Very nice. If the 1 hour candle closes below on gold, next candle does an upper wick, then yeah, I think that's a good sell. Yep. Yep. House passed the debt limit, Bill. Would you enter a trade if it closes below? I don't think so. I'm pretty good. I think I'm done for the day. Yeah, the debt limit. Yup, the bill. What would trigger the trade? Yeah, it would have to be the 30-minute closure. Yup. Past phase 1, let's go. Hey, there was probably 5 or 6 people passing challenges here today. Is it too late?
Crazy.
Too late to sell gold? Just wait for the 1 hour candle to close. If you guys took the trade earlier, don't even take another trade today. You guys already won today. You guys did what over 80% of traders weren't able to do today, and that's win.
Alright, boys.
But it could be a decent entry. Yeah, it can be. Yep. Alright,
Gotta
Uncle
hop
Scalp.
I gotta head over to the summit.
Do it, bro. Send me some pics.
Yeah, send me some videos and pics, bro.
Peace, bro. Yeah, send me some vids.
Do the
I'm
napkin.
posting them and I'll be,
Show the plan on the napkin.
Yeah. For the compound, dude. Come on.
Yeah, bro. Enjoy that, man. Enjoy the summit, knowing that you got your live account coming on Monday, and it's friggin' time to change your life, dude.
Yes, sir.
Get used to hanging out in those nice hotels down there in Miami. All right, brother.
You guys.
Proud of you, man. Great job today. We'll see you on Monday.
Love you.
Peace, bro.
Peace.
Peace.
Later, bro.
Peace.
Peace. Would you mind charting out the sell just for learning purposes? Which one? This one? Yeah, so what I would do here, this 1 hour candle, so what's going on is, being that you're breaking now below this range and closing below, you're now entering a new range, which is right here. So if this candle is able to pull up and maybe close like right around here, then what you have is you have an opportunity for a wick fill. And you should be able to continue down to retest the zone, but you gotta wait for that top wick first, and that's your new range to play in. Now if we close down here, it gets tough because you have a support right here. So if we close all the way down here, then you're forced to wait for the next candle, which would be this one. So you still have a lot of range here on gold. But if you close anywhere like you are right now, you can take this position right here. Yeah, because you're in this range now. So this becomes our new range here. And if we're breaking into that range, then there's a high chance that we'll fill the range. So yeah. You can sit up and say hi to everyone. Say hi, everybody. Say, my name's Alea.
Lele.
Say hi, everyone. My name's Alea. Hey Nick, I was down on my trade today, but your calls on your trade have brought me to the promised land. Amen. Bob the Third. Let's go. I will head off. Thank you, Nick, and all the gang, as always. Have a nice weekend. Yep, see you on Monday. What an amazing feeling for Uncle Scalp today. Yes. Of all places and times to get funded with a 300K live account. Yeah.
Yeah, seriously.
Very cute she is. Thank you. May God bless her. Amen. Yes. Hey Nick, since we're done for the day, is it okay if you elaborate on your fixed lot strategy? How is it better than fixed percentage? How has it helped you with your psychology? Yeah, we could talk about that. So pretty much what I used to do was I used to risk like 3% per trade. So let's just call it 3%, right? So I would risk 3% per trade no matter where my stop loss was. So whether it was up here, it was 3%, or whether it was, let's say, right here, it was 3%. So what I noticed was it wasn't working in my favor when I was using current candle stops, because if I'm risking 3%, well, now I only got, let's say, a 14 pip distance between me and my 3% getting stopped out. So when I used to get stopped out right here at 14 pips, I would think to myself, man, I just lost 3%, but if I fix it to a 10 lot, then I would have only lost 1.4%. So now now what I'll do is I will just leave it at 10 lots. And if we have a 23 pip, stop, then I'm risking 2.3%. If we have, anything lower than 30 pip stops, they're going to be lower or less than 3% risk for me. So that's where I came up with, if we're under 30 pips, I'll use a fixed 10 lot, because sometimes we may have a 10 pip stop and now I'm only risking 1%. Where if I was, using just fixed percentage, I'd be risking 3% with a 10 pip window, right? And that's kind of dangerous. So yeah, so now as long as it's under 35 pips, I'll keep the 10 lot. But if it's over that, then I'll go in my magic keys and adjust it to 3% risk. So that way, no matter what, it's whether my stops are previous candle or current, or previous candle, no matter the distance, it'll only be a 3% risk. So yeah, it works more in your favor, because sometimes we don't have 30. In my case, 30 pip stops. We may have a 15 pip, so I can reduce my risk by half, but still have a really nice lot open. Yeah, this is setting up very nicely here. Have a nice weekend, you too. Magic Keys does the calculation for you, but it's weird. It shouldn't be too weird. It should just be fine. Hey brother, just jumped into this channel. I thank God I did. Thanks for the great content. Shout out from South Africa. Hey, nice to have you here. Welcome, welcome. What would be the entry for gold? We have to wait 4 minutes. So we have to see if this candle closes below, and then top wick, and then we may have sell stops. What would your entry be? Yeah, we just gotta wait for the candle to close right now. Yeah, I was having trouble with it. I'm playing with a small account. Stop loss at 5% risk is only a few pips. Yeah, that's the thing. You don't want to put yourself in a jam where you got 10 pip stops, which should be considered good stop loss, but then you lose 3%, right? It wouldn't make sense, So that's why I just go with the fixed lots up until about 35 pips, and then I'll either lower my lot or just adjust it in the risk area.
Alrighty. I think I'm gonna call my week right here.
Do it. Do it.
Yep. Solid week. Super solid week.
Yeah, man. Good stuff this week. Good stuff.
Alrighty. Chat, it was a wonderful week. I hope to see all of you beautiful people here next time.
Yeah, everyone come back next week.
Yeah, make sure you leave your likes on the stream if you haven't yet for that W trade, and subscribe. I always say turn the notifications on too. Don't forget we're here. I know you got a million notifications on your phone already in the morning. What's one more? Alright.
Right.
Peace out, Nick. Peace out, Tandy.
All right, brother. You too.
Love
Have a
you
great
all.
weekend. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get out of here too, guys. I got like 5 coaching calls to get done here today, so I think I'm gonna call it. If I do take this, actually, I'll wait the 2 minutes for this 1 hour close with you guys. But all right, Sam, have a great weekend, bro.
Alrighty, take it easy.
Later, dude.
See you.
Later, Gator. Tandy's walking the dog, so it may be a good time to take a trade here.
Exactly. Bringing it back.
Odin.
The golden retriever.
The golden retriever. Hey Nick, I'm up 7% on phase 1. Nervous if I'll make it through. Don't be nervous, just show up every day and wait for those quality setups. Pretend that you're not even at 7%, right? What is 7%? That's why I remember we never have goals, right? Because you could be at 7% now and think about that a lot, right? Get caught up on that and try and force a trade and just to get your 8% and it doesn't go the right way, and or you can, you know, close early. You know, you just can do some weird things when you have that goal in mind. So just forget about the percentage, just come back and take the next trade. See how it's so important to wait for candles to close? Because if this doesn't close below, there's probably not any valid sells here. So Magic Keys has a function where it can fix the risk amount, and then, oh yes, it automatically computes it to create your lot size. Yep, correct. No matter where you put your stop, it'll calculate the lot size to where you need it. Yeah, so no closure belowsure, and that's gonna be it for me today. Done.
Beautiful.
Done. Still waiting on the content you promised to include on YouTube. Yeah. I'm putting my new my new camera up today, I think. So yeah, we'll start. We'll get busy with that. Proud of you, Scott. Yeah, proud of Scott. W stream. Yeah, that's it, man. We're gonna call it a day right here. Right here, right now. Oh look, my daughter left me a, I don't know, set of grapes. I didn't even know that was here. What a good present.
Yeah, for real.
But
Worried about the wall.
yeah. I'm like, what's this? Oh, that's your grapes. Beautiful. But chat, hey, W week here. 6 for 6 this month so far in June, so we're off to a good start. Let's keep that momentum rolling into next week and continue it on throughout the month. If you guys have any questions, you already know. Hit us up in the Discord, but if not, we'll see you back on stream Monday.
Amazing, my man.
Check the poll. Let's check the poll. Yeah, I think Monday is gonna win, so I'm not sure if we need to take that day off, but if we do, I'll make sure it's for Monday, and that would be Monday, July 3rd. So we'll see. Monday it is. See you next week. Enjoy your weekend. All right, gang. Tandy,
See you, brother.
any final thoughts, comments?
It's been an amazing week, and we're gonna get back to it next week.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, gang, love you guys. Like the stream, sub to the channel on the way out. As always, glory to the Father. All right. Peace, chat.
See you, chat.
Love you guys. Later.
Peace, brother.
Peace, Tandy.